Okay, we are live, yeah? Yes, everything working on your sides, guys? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And YouTube is coming live as well, yeah?
Yes, but it's coming live. Live.
Okay, okay. So let's give them a few moments to get in and settle in and find a chair or whatever. And already we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. So Nazile add to stream, okay. Ahmad Zabi add to stream, okay. Okay, Vipin Bhai is already added to stream, yeah? Okay, so Vipin Bhai is added as well. Okay, it says live here as well. Okay, fine. So everybody can hear, anybody is coming, we don't know, yeah? Comments, okay. Private chat, okay, I've got it here, yeah? Now I've added you, Vipin Bhai, I just seen your thing, yeah? Can't just do a
Yeah,
voice.
yeah, I can.
Okay,
I saw. Okay.
okay. So we give a few moments, yeah? And today, my universe, my dunya is here as well. My daughter, na? Sumia, who I say, Dharkan Tumio. Tumio is here, I'm happy. My inspiration. My inspiration for all this stuff, na?
Welcome, welcome.
Welcome, Didi.
What you say, so Dharkan, Sumaya is my inspiration. Sorry, Nishan Bhai. All the rest are my perspiration, Tell Pani. Tell Pani.
Yeah, I think there is a session you already mentioned that last webinar. There is a session going to take your daughter, right?
Yes. I want her to come out of her shyness. She is ready. She can do a session, And in fact, I want her to do a session, a few sessions, and I want her to do her pattern, that we done. We call it the Tumio pattern. Yeah, I want her to do it. So now, even on live stream, she can do it. But only issue is, the network problems now. But we can sort that out. Now we can sort it out. We can play with it
Yeah,
because it's
even network
ah,
network issue. I heard something that Elon Musk is going to launch a internet in the coming 6 months. I heard that.
okay, okay, and like I said, we don't care about network issues because we are not staying in a rented accommodation. This is our house. It breaks down 10 times. We'll fix it and we will do it again. Yeah, we don't have to make a Hollywood film buster.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so guys, nobody in YouTube, yeah.
No comments yet, but I think they'll be joining by. I kept it in the link
Oh,
also. We'll
okay,
just give time.
okay. So yeah, we give Nishan Bhai, we give 5 minutes. What you
Yeah,
reckon? Yeah,
yeah,
and,
yeah.
we can do now. We can do now. Okay, so
Yeah, right. Right now in YouTube, I only one view.
okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. But you're right. We need to get them to be interactive a little bit more. Yeah, because then it's fun. Then it's fun. Yeah, we don't want silent ninjas. My pet hate. This to be to be fair. This StreamYard. No, I think Nishant Pai and all will agree as well. It is a nice thing, and it's very fast to set it up as well. Yeah, it's not complicated. It's got a lot of things in there. The only downside is like 10 people or whatever. But even that, if we are live on YouTube, then on YouTube you can have as many as they come, yeah? And
Yeah.
if anyone really wants to have a voice ask or something, then by all means one of us can leave and give that person a chance, and then when that person is finished, he can go back to YouTube, and another one can come in. So at least they get like a one-to-one kind of thing. But the whole idea of this one is not a one-to-one analysis for a market for one person. Yeah, this is
Exactly.
the idea. This one is live trading. This one is not mentoring or teaching. Nah?
Correct. Correct.
So we all have to be considerate in that we give a chance to everybody. We don't hog it, na? Only me kind of thing, yeah.
Yes, bhai.
And
Or
that
we can schedule these sessions for Saturday, Sunday, the
ah,
question answer or something.
we can do that, and we can do that on
Yeah,
webinar
but
or anything, yeah.
I think
So
Q&A also it will help improve that our system.
yeah, and that because the whole purpose of this one is to do live streaming, live trading. Otherwise, it defeats the object because if you sit here to analyze the whole market, the market has moved. You miss the bus. You miss the bus. Yeah? You miss the bus, then you start chasing it.
That is true.
Huh? And like, what are your reasons and what is your technical analysis? That's not the time for it. This is the time to trade. Then it's the time to talk, yeah? Not now. After it's done, you can ask privately or when we do like a webinar thing or whatever. Like now we are talking, not many have come. You can say, oh, why did you do it? Then, okay, doesn't matter. You can talk about it, yeah? But the whole purpose is trade, and also this way they will learn to hopefully God knows how many million times showed to use the daily levels and whatever. But it is this way now. We done like the morning one, and I my apologies as well. Um, the mouse went missing. I thought the cat had eaten it, and then we found the mouse. Then the stupid pen wouldn't work, yeah, to draw quickly to show something. And then I did the biggest clanger of all. I did a couple of my stupid jokes, and after the event, it clicked to me that some people are very touchy, and unfortunate thing is they cannot take humor or a joke, or they cannot laugh. We should be able to laugh about ourselves, but with this politically correct rubbish going around and thing, what I thought was it was not appropriate. Even though it was a nice joke, it wasn't appropriate. Yeah. So I had gripes about the recording anyway, in that the mouse and all that playing up. So I deleted it. Yeah, I deleted it because some people can get quite touchy about things. Yeah. Somebody is trying to enter the room, but the studio is full. They have got what you call the YouTube link as well. I'm just seeing Haji, I think is busy. Yeah, Haji is busy. I see a young man on a webcam and he just disappeared. Okay. Okay. And also, boss lady, you are in Nigeria. So if you are in Nigeria, Ekaso,
Lagos or anywhere else.
Alafiani, yeah. I apologize because yesterday I said I will give her a one-to-one on daily levels. Then I went out to see wife and whatever, na. So I have not forgotten. I will do it for her. I'll do it for her. I'll do it for her. I'll make time. Okay, so guys, let us go through everything what has happened and what is lining up or not. Yeah. So we are on S&P, and we had said 432, and we said 4322 plus or minus 3 as the cycle number. And yesterday we were 4343.43, yeah, as well. And in the morning we were around here, and we said we are looking for the Wall Street to open, and we're looking for a spill sell, yeah, at least a little pop and spill sell. And you can see, look, C1 area here, we can draw a rough line in the middle. How we use the daily level, and maybe a purple without. So we draw like a middle line. Look, little poke, broke the MOB, broke the LOC, broke the F1, broke the F2. Now it has done a V shape. Yeah, now it's done a V shape. Now, if you did buy, or even here, if you're looking to buy, then you need to draw a line in the middle roughly. We are here. Yeah, so if you bought it anywhere around here, then you should be taking profit or wait to see if it comes to 4328. Yeah. But today it will be interesting because it's the first day back for them. Tuesday is their Monday, yeah? Because Monday they were closed, holiday. So we wait and see. The close will be interesting, but tomorrow will be nice. It might give us a V pattern rally up as well, yeah? And if around 7:45 UK time, 2:45 p.m. ET, we have done a zoom up, then we will look to see if we can look to do a scalp sell, yeah? Or best thing, wait for the Globex to open at 11 o'clock at night and we are ready, yeah? So obviously the night owls will be, hunting, mining at that time. Okay, so that is our S&P. Oh, that's our S&P, and let's go through this. Dow, we have done the same story. Yeah, look at Dow. And 777, 343, yeah? 343, we done the 343. Roughly, where are we? 343, yeah? I'm just doing a rough line, yeah? So it stays above that, or here we need to watch. And again, same thing, the line, yeah? And see if it gets up. DAX will be similar, and in fact, I am small long in DAX, yeah? I've taken a small long. Nissan Pi will know. Nissan Pi will know, definitely. Nissan Pi will know we are long in the taxi. So
Yes, bhai.
Nasdaq we can see V shape, and Nasdaq is not the laggard, yeah. Nasdaq is coming up to C2 area again. So
Yeah.
if we get the spike up C2 and we see, might give us a nice scalp sell, yeah. Yes, everybody okay?
Yes, bhai.
Okay.
Yes, boy. Yes, boy.
Yeah. Okay, DAX I'm long, yeah. I did a small scalp and now we are wrong. And my idea is I need to watch this area, yeah. I need to watch this area. And like I said, Nishan Bhai knows the exact entry and everything.
Right, bhai.
Yeah, he knows everything there. Yeah. So, and okay, Kiyor is on. Kiyor is on what you call live. Yeah. So anybody else? Okay, Nazir device is not connected. Okay. So Nifty, let's see what did Nifty do today. Nifty, look, C2. That is where we were in the morning, and you saw it all. And we came all the way to F2. Stopped on the V shape. Now we are at F1. Yeah. So we wait and see if it tries to get to LOC area. Okay. FTSE will be similar. Yep, FTSE as well. C1 straight to F2. And basically, what S&P does is what the rest of the world is going to do. Yeah, like dog in tow. Yeah. Who is the young man with the what you call the fan on and webcam on?
Here, yes, sir.
Okay, welcome. Okay, most people don't trade the Frenchies. Okay, this Nikkei, I trade it sometimes in the HSI. We will see in the night, but these are monsters, yeah, to be honest with you. Hong Kong Shanghai Index, the Kospi, Nikkei, HSI, those ones you need, for one, you have to be staying up in the night because of the time difference. And the other one is they move, like Kospi, and they move thousands of points within blinks of an eye. Yeah. So if your account cannot handle it or your heart cannot handle it, you've had it. Yeah. You've had it. Okay. WTI, we had said 11 times 7 is 77, yeah? And we had said sell the rallies in crude, and I even posted the chart and told you guys, yeah? And you can see, look, from there, and the target we had said was 74, 70 area or whatever. It's done that, 74 done as well. We went to say 73. So now we will look for a pullback, and not so much tomorrow, but Thursday. Thursday we need to watch the oil inventories at 3:30 UK time, and tomorrow I believe is the Fed FOMC as well. Yeah, tomorrow Wednesday. Yeah. So if you look at your calendars, just confirm it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, yes,
I've seen Post lady. I've seen USD card already. Reza and the other guys will tell you that we are little short. We are little short in USD CAD at the moment. Yeah, we are little short in USD CAD, and old man, I write everything down in my my book. I'm short from 1.2469. Yeah, I'm going to hold it a bit. Yeah. Okay. We need this banner maybe or whatever, so they have. If they want to come as well, it's not advertising, but if in case you cannot find me, the only reason is if you cannot find me, you can find me at that link, yeah, or us at that link, yeah. The one thing I'll tell you about that place is that is our flagship from, this is updated to that one. Nishan Pai and Haji have updated everything. But otherwise, that place for the last 25 odd years is like our flagship inner sanctum, yeah? So if you come there, if you just come sit down there and be quiet, Jack Pai, Nishant Pai, and Attila, they will watch you, and you don't talk, they will boot you out. No question asked. And there is a contest between Jack, Nishant, and Attila, how many they can kick out in a month, yeah? Me and Sami Bhai used to have that contest, in the old chat rooms. But Sami Bhai was too fast.
Record competition it is.
Yeah. Sami Bhai was the fastest silent night. Before you think about it, is out. So I was waiting to kick. He said, done already. 1-0, 2-0, 3-0, like that. Okay, Brent again, look. Shum. Down. Again, 74. Gold, silver, look, 26 down. Now, silver is basing, and you can use that. And if you look at, remember the Running Man thing, yeah? Now you can use the breaches, and you can take a technical reset pop-up as a scalp, yeah? And then wait and see, yeah? But it will give you a pop. So will gold. Gold will do the same as well, yeah? Okay, gold, look, we had said 1812, 1811, 1812 area, posted 2 days before, and we had even written it down here, yeah? We had written it down, and in fact, if we look at it, there you are. There's our live trade as well. We have written that 2 days ago, and short deployed at 1808. That closed, by the way, with nearly $11, yeah? I count it as $11 per ounce. But it always makes me smile and laugh, all the Forex guys, count it as pips, and they will say they made 1,100 pips on gold, which is, it's nice to see. Yeah, but, we just say 11. We are small guys. We say 11, yeah? We say 11 is fine. 11 is fine. And if you count it as US dollar per ounce move, every day, and you look at it, that way you will know the normal expanded and contracted range of a market. This 50 pips and 80 pips and 100 pips and 1100 pips might wrong foot you. But if we say it's moving $21 in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you know roughly it's the range it is playing, in the parameters it's playing at, yeah? Okay, so This gold futures will be same, of course. AD USD we had said sell, yeah. Look, poof, there you go. Yeah, Euro GBP.
Comment on YouTube
Ha.
with gold uncle. We are aiming for 1660, correct? After hitting your sweet spot, where would the next sweet spot for sells you would reckon? Legend SM.
Okay, okay. Okay, I
I
said
think
actually. Okay,
Samibai commented this.
okay. Actually, um, I think that I think Sami Bhai is actually not our Sami Bhai. Yeah, is somebody's. I know who Sami is. Sami is in Batley area. Adi and Sami. Yeah, Adi and Sami. Okay, okay. Um, with gold. Yeah, we had said we are watching um, 1811, 1812, went to around 1814 or whatever. Now it has come down to the MOB area and it's popping up. So we wait for a technical reset and they might stretch it, yeah? So we are in sell the rallies mode. And obviously, unless something drastic happens, it's not going to go to. And the number I said was um, the Fire of London, which was 1666, yeah? That is the number we are looking for. And if that one breaks down, then ideally we are looking for 1644, 1630. And if it gets there and with the action, and it does have pockets of support and resistances as well, yeah. When it gets there, that is when I will look with obviously the guidance of for Ustad Vulture, and we will declare what we call as BTFD by the effing dip, yeah. Okay. But at the moment, best to just be flexible and say, I'm in sell the rallies mode. And I don't mean like $1 or $2 move and you hit it, yeah? That is silly. Let the move present itself, yeah? And if you miss it once, doesn't matter, and you can do it again, yeah? So that is how, and obviously if you come here in the morning and in the afternoon, then you will not have to guess hopefully that. Because, like, look, we write it down as we take the trade live, and we write it down for you. So we are all in it together. We are all in it together. Either sink or swim, laugh or cry. That's it, yeah. And we will laugh and cry together, yeah. I think that's better. That's better. That's better, yeah. So we don't want to get our brains into I'm a bull or a bear. We want to be open-minded. I've come to the market. What is listen to the market. Listen to the market's feedback. What is it telling you? What is it trying to tell you? That is the main thing. Yeah. Okay. So Euro USD, we had said sell, doof, and we had said the USD CHF as we teach it, what it will do is done the opposite. Now we are at C2 here. We need to watch here, and we can see the breaching here. You can take a tiny sell, and you can look at Euro USD to take a tiny long, a scalper. Two trades in one, yeah? Two trades in one. And another thing, you don't have to take every trade that I talk about or say it or I take personally. You have to decide what you can take and don't take too many trades because over trading is not only in terms of size, it is the number of positions you have and the frequency of positions. Yeah, it is even sometimes more important than the size of your trade. Yeah, and if your account is minimal or you know not big or anything, then I would suggest a couple of trades. One trade. Don't take three trades in one go. Take one trade. When that finishes, then wait, be patient. If you miss it, doesn't matter. That is what was destined for you for that day. Then take another one. So that way, you are not in panic mode. Yeah. And if ever you go to sleep and you cannot sleep, then the alarm bells should ring in your head that you are doing something wrong. You should be able to leave your screen and go away and not care one hoot where the market is. Yeah. That is the idea I want to instill in all of you. And the other one, obviously, We have to gauge as where the market is, how you want to put a stop, you don't want to put a stop, you want to put a mental stop, a physical hard stop, or you want to put a time stop, or you don't want to put a stop because you are looking to add in and scale in a positions, yeah. But all that as I take and I do the ladder as I call it, and I call it as the Miyagi trade, from Karate Kid, the old man, Miyagi-san, wax on, wax off, yeah? So that add-on is not an average, but it is a trade on its own merits, yeah? On its own merits. But this here, USD CHF, you can look for a tiny sell, yeah? Pound, I think Norman Abbas said us, yeah, from Pakistan, and we said sell. And look, it's done it. And that's roughly, we can say, 13,900 to 1370. It's like around 130 pips, yeah? It's not bad. And even if you take like 20, 25, 30, 80, 50, whatever you are happy with, even if you take like 1 pip and you are happy, that's it, fine. And another one is, once you trade a trade, take a trade and it's done its job, you don't need to analyze that trade and do a post-mortem. Just delete it from your brain, look for something else, yeah? Or even immediately don't take another trade, walk away, let your body cool down, and then come back and then look at it fresh with a fresh eye. Otherwise, euphoria or panic or fear will wrong foot you. Eurojetty will sell again. Similar situation, V-shape, put your stop below here, draw a line here in the middle to see if you can get a reset out, yeah? Same thing with GBP yen, yeah? What is USD JP? We said it was boring anyway in the morning, and it is, to me, it is still boring, yeah? It's still boring. TVV, I said a dropper, yeah? There you are, boom, done the job. F1, F2 holding, MOB area as your target, yeah? Okay, Loonie, I'm in a sell, yeah? Loonie, I'm in a sell. And ideally, all you have to do now is, this area held. And say anywhere around here you took a sell, yeah? So you took a sell here. All you do have to do immediately is draw a line in the middle, yeah? So we are roughly near that area as your first target. If it breaks that, then you look for C2. So basically, it might mess around or whatever and come here. When it gets to C2, you need to watch it, yeah? Because it can ping up anytime. But ideally, the Looney Tune is coming down, yeah? Is going to come down. It will do a retrace. And this is the move of the Looney Tune. If you were walking like how an elephant walks, how a horse runs. The Looney Tune actually walks like what we call as a camel, yeah? It will do this, and then you're like a camel going up the dunes kind of thing. You say, camel going up the dunes, yeah? That is how it walks. And it will be, many times it will just stay like that, similar with DAX, and then all of a sudden a move, yeah? That's why it's called the Looney. And DAX, we call it the BMW, because a fast car, yeah? Okay, so Eurocard, what did it do? Similar situation, sell, but it's done over the halfway mark, better to wait. Euro AUD. Boss lady, I hope that helped you with Walaikum Salam, Noman, yeah? All you guys who have come, in the comments and whatever have you, because I'm a nosy bugger, just briefly, just write down which country you are in. So we know, like, we have a global family, Yeah. Okay, so AUD JP. Wow, look at AUD JP. Boom, all the way. Same thing again. Yeah? Look for a retracer. GBP CHF. Guys, if I'm boring you, do say so as well. Yeah? And as you can see, I'm going through, this is what every day I do all these daily levels. So it is not like it is a one-off. This is every day. So this way, you basically look to see a optimum with the best setup. Yeah, you don't need to chase trades. Yeah, you don't have to say only trade euro, I only trade pound. No, you should say anything that has a number, I am willing to trade. I have an open mind. Yeah, but before you trade anything, study it as to what is its capability. Yeah, like you buy a Morris Minor, and you're expecting it to go at 200 miles per hour. Well, it's never going to reach there. Yeah, and if you buy a Ferrari and you are going to drive it like a Morris Minor, so you can understand. Yeah, so you need to know what you are handling. Okay, guys, keep on looking at the question thing as well. I am turning it back to what you call the private chat one, and
Yeah, I'm
Yes,
seeing, bhai. I'm
yes, we
seeing.
are looking. Me and Nishant boy just keep on watching it.
you are the you are the you are the night Templars on watch, night owls, the night owls, the night owls, the Templars, the
We are
Templars.
happy to do.
Thank you. It means a lot to me, believe me, because this kind of thing is I'm incapable. AUD and ZD, nothing, no juice there. Yeah, C1, no juice as well. And exotic pairs or minor pairs, um, and try. I'm not saying avoid them, but watch them. Yeah, because sometimes they don't have enough participation or liquidity. Yeah, and also the spread is wide, and after hours we can kind of call it, even though forex does not stop. But the sessions, like we know, Australia is slow, Japan is slow, and then when the Europe session and the DAX opens or whatever, that's when life starts to come into the market. And then the main one is Canary Wharf, London, yeah, FTSE and all that open. Um, they gave the independence, the colonialists, but they kept the financial power, yeah. So that makes the biggest moves, yeah. And then we got the American one coming in. That's when things start to happen. Now the American session, we only got like 2 hours to close, so things slow down, yeah. So call it like a Globex session and the real sessions. Yeah. So you need to watch that. Yeah. Need to watch that. Same CAD Jappy need to watch for a popping up. But tomorrow with the Fed is going to be nice. In fact, what we will do is, if everyone agrees, tomorrow, okay, tomorrow in the morning, 10 o'clock, I have to be in hospital with my wife for her MRI scans and the next course of action. So hopefully if they don't operate on tomorrow and things like that, then I should be back before the American session opens. But if I'm late, definitely I'll try to get back here, or I should be here before the Fed starts. Yeah, so it will be nice that we can trade the Fed. Yeah, if earlier it will give us some bazookas hopefully, and not be a wet fish. Yeah. So most people say don't trade the Fed, don't trade the non-farm payrolls. But there is a way to trade it. Yeah, you can trade it. Yeah, and we will do that. We will do that. Hopefully, it will be fun. It will be fun to trade the Fed. Yeah. Okay, GBP AUD. You have to watch for it to what you would say is for a sell pointer. Yeah. Coco. What did Coco do? Wow! Look at him. Gone. GBP CAD. Nothing doing. CHF Jeppy down. Look for a popper like CAD Jeppy. Mexican. No one trades. NZD CAD right at the top, need to watch it and then maybe do something. Euro CHF, don't trade it. VIX, what did VIX do? Wow, look at VIX went all the way up and down, yeah? But I do trade the VIX, yeah? So we will be trading the VIX as well, yeah? Okay, same thing. USD ZAR, you can look for it to come down, yeah? Questions keep on firing away, yeah? Okay, NZD CHF, C1, nothing much. Okay, dollar index, what did you do? Okay, dollar index, you can look to take a small sell. You can look to take a small sell. Keep this area in mind as the policeman, yeah? Policeman, and that, and you got your V shape as well, so your stop should be above here. Let it breathe. C2 and C1 area comes as your target, yeah? And then we wait and see. Somebody had asked, I think it was probably no one.
Yeah.
Probably no one.
Naveen
had
is asking repeat gold and silver.
Repeat. Repeat costs 2 times
Naveen.
free. Okay, so he wants to see gold again, yeah? When you said gold, yeah? Can you repeat?
Not for me. Not for
Yeah.
me. For
I
Naveen.
know, Naveen, yeah, I just saw it. I just saw it's called. Can you repeat gold and silver charts? Yeah, I will. Okay. Naveen, yesterday I had already told in advance, and you can see that scroll at the bottom. It is written down when we took the trade as well, yeah? And the prior one, we were looking for this 1811, 1812 as the sweet spot for a sell, yeah? And we had said what we are is look at to sell the rallies in gold, yeah? That's what he had said. That was the premise we had done, yeah, our buyers. So that was the sell. And today I took a sell at 1808.20, yeah. So I was from around here, and I got out, with $11 drop, yeah. Okay. So now we are at MOB. We need for it to wait. We need to wait. If it can't break that, we need to wait because they can stretch it down a bit or whatever. But I am now looking for it to do a pop up, but that is only like a scalping kind of thing. Yeah, you're not going to hold it for days. But I want to ideally use small scalps for up as hit and run, like we call it. We call it as HRB, hit, run, and bank. But then to add in sell and try and write the cells, like we said, the fire of London, 1666. Yeah, that is the first idea. And the second one, if it stretches from that, we have said 1644 and 1630. When it gets around there, if and when it gets around there, we are going to look at what is known as BTFD, which means buy the effing dip. Yeah? So that, when we say BTFD, if you sell every day, you will come and say, I'm making a loss, I'm making a loss, I'm making a loss. Yeah? Okay? This is not a change in trend. This is just a small, you can call it as a pullback or a correction, okay? The move today, if you just roughly we analyze it, we say we went to 1814, yeah? And we have come down to 1791, yeah? So roughly that is how many points? 9 and 14 is 23, yeah? 23 points, this is nothing, okay? This is a normal day. This is a normal day. It's just that because it was going up and there's a pullback and you're looking at it on shorter time frames, the red one looks like a good nosebleed, yeah? That's all. But it has done nothing extraordinary. But those moves are going to come, yeah? Volatility is going to increase in them, yeah? And silver will be the same story, okay? Silver will be the same story, yeah? So we're going to look at it to come up for more sells, yeah? And keep in mind the 9th. 9th is what day? 9th is Friday, is it? Or is it Saturday? The 9th of July? It's a Friday. Oh, okay. Crook's Day, yeah? And Jacka, I believe it's a new moon, yeah? So we see if the markets do a little bit of lunatics, yeah? but we will be ready for them. When we will tell them in advance as if it's going down, we're looking for a trend up. If it's popped up, we're looking for a trend down. Yeah, and
Yeah,
many
morning
say
session you told that it is the full moon, I think.
maybe I made a mistake. I'll make sure because I write it down. I'll make sure and I'll tell you exactly.
And there is
Exactly.
a question about in YouTube,
It's
Bhajan.
it's 9th of July. It's new moon in Cancer. 9th of July is new moon in Cancer. Yeah.
So
Is
there is
there,
a question
yeah,
in a
yeah.
private chat.
In private chat, yeah. In private chat, yeah. I can't see your question. Yeah. Who is a Marmik?
It's not my question. Sami question.
Yes, yes, yes. Sami, around this time, yeah, around 7:15, ice cream van fellow comes, yeah, and he goes at the back of our area, and all the kids are waiting for him, yeah. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, his question was about the ice cream truck. You can hear the ice cream truck. You will hear my Simba trading and barking as well, soon. Okay, so we done both, and we were at the dollar index. Yeah, dollar index done. Copper. What did Dr. Copper do? And remember, we said in the trade it's called Dr. Copper, and the floor traders use it a lot. Yeah, and it usually tells you the topping out in S&P, the market. Even though floor traders don't trade copper, but they look at copper. So if they see copper, it's like one feeds the other. And look, copper dropped, S&P dropped. Yeah, you can put the chart actually next to each other, and you will see exactly near enough. Yeah. So if you watch copper with S&P, it will it not doesn't have to be exact, but it will tell you in advance a trend is changing or pullback is coming or the other way around. Yeah. Platinum, same thing. Nat gas, what did nat gas do? Nat gas as well down, but it's a monster. Soybeans, wow, gap down soybeans, yeah. And soybeans is one of the biggest markets, you can say, yeah. And it is not for the faint-hearted, and it is quite common for commodities like cotton, soybeans, corn, wheat, um, to have limit up, limit downs. Yeah, that's quite common. So you have to be careful when you trade them, and the value per point or whatever have you is quite massive as well. Yeah, so unless you
By Sammy has one more question.
okay,
In private chat also it's there. I don't understand one thing, uncle. Can you see that? Go down
In
if you're not
YouTube
seeing.
also is there, private chat also is there.
okay, I read it. Okay, Sami, money is money and gold is gold. Okay, you need to get that in your head right. Money is money, gold is gold. When there is uncertainties in the market or whatever, including money and whatever, the investors and everybody takes out the money. Where do they put it? In gold, yeah. And with gold against the dollar or even the dollar index itself, gold does not make that much of a weight in the basket of the dollar index. The basket of the dollar index is made up of currencies, primarily major ones. There's some gold in there, some other bits in there as well. But euro takes up nearly like 60% of the weight of that basket. Yeah. So you're better off watching euro against the dollar index. Yeah. But if you just say, oh, dollar is going up and the gold is going down, no, they can both do different things. Sometimes, of course, you will have correlation which is positive, negative, or no correlation. If you are trading gold, you are trading gold. You are not trading gold with what the dollar is doing or the index is doing. Yeah. So everything has a vibration of its own. It's just like you have fruits, lemons and oranges. They're all citrus fruits, but they all have a different cycle, a different harvest, a different growth, and different conditions. Yeah. Same thing. Dollar index call it an apple. Gold call it a pineapple. Yeah. So you need to think of it like that. Yeah. Sami, did that make sense? Did that make sense? And main thing is we have the daily levels, we have the numbers. What is the market doing? Rather than have a bias as to it, I my think or think that the market is going to do this. No, it does not have to listen to you, and market does not care about you, me, or anybody. Yeah, it is going to do what it is going to do. Yeah, same like look here, easy answer. Yeah, easy answer. Like we said, S&P drop like a rocket. Yeah, now we're doing the V shape. Dow drop like a rocket. Yeah, the all Wall Street. What did NASCAR do? NASCAR is at C2. Yeah. So, well, sometimes there's lagging, sometimes what you call they are tick by tick. Yeah. So you need to. I hope I explained that. Okay, if that makes sense or doesn't make sense, tell me. If I'm talking baloney, tell me as well. Yeah. Main thing is keep an open mind. Idea is keep an open mind. Yeah. And remember, many times, like I say, now is not the time to get married. So it is not a time to get married to positions in the market. Yeah. There's a time to hold, there's a time to fold, there's a time to trade, and there's a time when not to trade. Yeah. And in the webinars, we show you and do teach you that as to when are you going to trade. Like everyone says, trend is your friend. No one tells you when the trend is not your friend. You all look at higher high, higher lows. Maybe you need to watch on the YouTube very carefully. That I think I've done it in 2 parts. I think now I believe, and in-depth study on trends, and you will see in there I teach you how to look at even the health of a trend. How do you know when the pulse is right or when the health is dying away? Yeah. So those little things like a jigsaw will fit in together. But while we are doing these live sessions, little by little you will get little information, and as long as you make little notes and take it at face value even, then the jigsaw will fit together. Yeah, and you will become better traders. Yeah. And don't get me wrong, I am not a better trader and I'm not even the best trader. I am just learning. Yeah, I'm learning as well. Okay, Euro C, we have done all those. Yeah, okay, copper we done, platinum we dropped as well. Nat gas we looked at, soybean, coffee we looked at. Coffee soon I'm going to declare as a mini swing long, and that we will hold it for even weeks and months. Yeah, as long as you keep your size fine and even take partial profits or whatever, the coffee will taste good. Okay, Bitcoin, what are we doing? 343 maybe? 30, 3400, yeah. Okay, not much juice in it today. Litecoin, no juice. Ethereum is going up. The other ones are fiddling about. XRP, okay. I wonder, this XRP, they got banged with a big fine, and there was a bit of a rumpus, and they seem to all boil over. Yeah, seems to have boiled over. Okay, so yeah, we've done nearly everything or whatever. Any questions, anything, whatever? Anyone want to sing a song or not or what as well? It's fine. Naveen, Ruben, Boss Lady, everybody. Okay. Any news from Haji Yatira? Yes, Haji. Please come. Yeah, Haji, are you streaming live now? I said, yeah. So let me give Haji a link, yeah? Link, invite, okay. Again, okay, copy. And if one of us can leave, maybe, and if Haji comes, then Haji can come in, yeah?
Reza was asking something in the
Ha.
chat box, private chat. He's asking about USD CAD.
Okay, USD CAD, I've taken a small scout short, yeah? Like I said, yeah? Small scout short, yeah? And you guys keep an eye here as well. If Haji Atila comes in, shout me, yeah? So I add him, yeah? So USD CAD, let's have a look at it. Where are you? Whoop, where am I looking? USD, my eyes are fuzzy, you know? Okay, yeah. It is done the move, went past, and see yesterday's, what you call, level, went past that and stopped, yeah? So that is why I was watching it. And look, it has done its move. It has done like about, we can say roughly about 140, 150 uh, points, yeah? So you expect a bit of a retrace, yeah? Give me a discount and I will buy kind of thing, yeah? So as simple as Haji, I've given that to Haji, let's see. Haji. Let's send him a personally. Okay. If Haji comes in, it will be fun. Because he knows this thing inside out, might show us a few things or whatever, and he's quite a lively person. Okay. So, guys, you can fire away questions, and all you people, please put comments in YouTube and everything. Candlestick expert, please share us your name and where you come from. My name,
It's my ID. It's my ID. It's my ID.
oh,
YouTube, I'm just.
you, I am not going to tell you where I come from.
No. See, someone actually say hello, so I thought I just ask you. I think his
Okay, yeah.
NRK is in Nishan Bhai. So
Even me, I had asked that, oh, we want to see what kind of a global community we have. So I told them as well, post which part of the world you are from. Yeah. No, but I was just in Candlestick and I didn't realize it was you, Vipin Bhai.
yeah, I'm basically focus on the candlestick pattern.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, no, I got it. I got it straight away now after you said, yeah, getting old, you see. Yeah. But what I'm saying to you is, I'm not going to tell you where I live, where I come from, or anything.
yeah,
I'll tell
true,
everybody else. I'll not tell you.
true.
I'll let
You
you.
have some questions for in private chat from Sami.
Okay. Okay. Private chat. Okay, Sami.
Sami wants to marry. That's it.
Listen, marriage is fine. Marriage is fine.
No, he wants to marry gold now.
Yeah, but marriage is fine. But you might end up marrying a gold digger. And remember one thing, like Brexit, divorce is very expensive. Divorce is very expensive. Uncle, you mentioned not to marry the market, as in there are times in the market where you don't need to work for days, months and years. I meditated. That's fine. And I'm planning to hold myself. That's fine. Like we said, sell the rallies, and that is the plan. And we will have a plan, Sami, in detail. Yeah. And of course, when we talk, we will have it. We will tailor it and it will be updated every day. And of course, Sunny, I know you and Aldi, you just ring me, and I'm here for you 24/7. No problem at all. Yeah. And you're too young. I will not let you get married. I'll come to the registry office and say, not him. Molana, isko nahi karna. इसकी 3 और बीवी है. He's married to 3 more. Silver and platinum. Silver and platinum. Oh, good. Marriage. Sami bhai, marriage is a workshop, yeah? Men work and ladies shop. Oh, gold digger, Sami bhai. Ladies can even be told as, like in UK and Europe and whatever, you can be told as homemakers. When they kick you out, they take the home as well. Because, yeah, here by UK, the wife keeps the house and the man gets booted out, yeah?
I think it's everywhere the same custom.
But no, here is low. Near it is low. Unless, especially if they have children, the mother cannot disrupt the house. Na? So mother stays. Na? And minimum is when they separate, they cut everything in half. So if you can't afford to pay your half, you might need to take a mortgage loan or whatever. Yeah, but you have to pay. You have to pay. You have to pay. Anyone, any questions? Haji, where is Haji? Haji got busy or what? I don't know.
Haji is awake online in Discord or group.
He's in Discord now with the Turkish brothers now. He's with the Turkish brothers, but he was quite busy now. So DAX is a little bit up, yeah. It's lagging. It's lagging compared to S&P, but it is slowly but surely it's going up, yeah. Where is DAXi? Okay, yeah. So halfway line is.
I think GU also there is the V formation already created.
Yeah,
The
see,
GU
halfway
is-
line is here, yeah. But what I'm saying is DAX obviously is, finished. Now Germany time is finished for it, and we only got 1.5 hours for the US to close as well. So we wait and see how it happens in the night or tomorrow pop up, yeah. But it is moving slowly, yeah. It's moving slowly, and we can see like this one is just around here. But the move in S&P, you see, look at it. It's like a rocket. You see the amount is gone. With this kind of move from here, we say 4305 to 4327. Ideally, if everything was fine and hunky-dory, for 1 point move in ES S&P, we can calculate it roughly as an idea that the Dow will move 10 points, the DAX will move between 8 and 10 points. No? So ideally, we should have by now in DAX like around 100, 120 point move. Yeah. Same in the Dow as well. Yeah.
I think Reza was asking something. Do you close USD card?
I have not closed it. No. Until and unless I type Reza, the trade is running. Yeah. I always update it. Yeah. And but no, it is running. Yeah. I plan to hold it a little bit, like I said. Yeah. And usually, without me saying, yeah, unless something, I can't say spooks me, but if the conditions are not right, most of the currency trades, yeah, most of the currency trades like Jack Bhai, Prabha, Nishant Bhai, everybody who knows me, I never close a trade with 10 pips and 20 pip trade, yeah. Minimum I usually take is like 50 pips, and most of the time is take 50 pips partial profit, and I call it a centurion. So I look for 100 pips, yeah? 100 pips. Same in oil. Centurion, bank. Yeah, 100 pips. Okay? But 10, 20 pips unless, we're doing like fast scalping, no. And S&P, the minimum without me saying, and if you are happy, if it's giving you 3 points, bank it. Point being, 1 point on the futures contract is $50. A 3 handle move in S&P, that is $150. If you are happy with that, I'm not talking money, but if you are happy as to the contract performance that is giving you 3 points, if you just take 3 points on a E-mini contract in S&P, here, say every day, 3 points today, 5 points tomorrow, 7 points the other day, yeah? At the end of the month, it's like around nearly $4,500, That's more than enough. More than enough. And it's not difficult to take 2, 3 points, 5 points, 7 points. Like, look, in S&P, what was the move today? The move today is like, say, 4344. It's like a 40 handle move. One contract would be like around $2,000 profit or loss. But if you take 150, 200, you don't need to take the exact top or bottom. If you just bite the sandwich and take a piece out of it, a nibble out of it, and be happy, yeah? Yeah. So many times, like if I say I'm taking a short in S&P or a long in S&P, just keep the magic number 3. If 3 is there and you are happy, bank it. Then, me personally, I will hold it, bank it, add to it, take partial off, whatever, yeah? But is your account. You are in charge of your account. You are the master of your destiny, yeah? You have to make your own destiny in that you decide. We give you all the keys and locks and everything. You decide when you want to open the lock and when you want to close the lock, yeah? Anyone, anything? I think Haji is busy. Haji is not about. Haji is busy.
Prabha is joined with us.
Okay. Haji, please come now. I shall ask, say, 3, 4 out. Yeah. If 3 or 4 of 4 here, let me say, say 2, 3, 4 from here can go, I think, and we add Haji in, yeah? I don't know why Haji can't come in. Okay, Haji. Aha, my Sultan. Assalamu alaikum, Sultan.
Walaikum salam.
Oh, I was shouting for you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Haji. You can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. How are you doing?
Alhamdulillah, Allah shukur, Allah razus. I was missing you. I haven't heard your voice for a few days because you were busy now.
Yes, Haji, because I've been trying to set up the business.
Yes.
I see so many people, but you are limited to 10. So you should give them the YouTube link, Haji, instead of the StreamYard.
Yes, Haji. What happened is we've given them the YouTube link, so they're commenting on YouTube already. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice.
See, like we've got private chat, and the comment section is coming from people in YouTube. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And what we have done is, the people in Coolpix, Jack and everybody, are put here live with us. But what we have said is they've got the YouTube link as well. If the room becomes full, to ask them, they go out and we give a chance for somebody new to come in and ask a question or something. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Haji, did you buy this?
Hey,
did you buy this?
I sold it.
You sold it?
Which one?
S&P.
S&P was sell, yeah. DAX I sold as well, and now I am long in the DAX a little bit, yeah. And gold I sold as well, yeah. 1808.20, and I closed that with a $11 drop, yeah. Live call, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And I think not yesterday, yeah, yesterday and day before, I think Friday, you know, Juma, I think you were away, and the Turkish brothers were asking, nah. So I told them about. You know, because Bitcoin was quite high up around 35 area, yeah, and we said it can stretch a little bit and drop, yeah, and the target was 300 and 34,000, yeah, so that came in. Then I think around 5 o'clock yesterday, I took a long, yeah, and I gave it to them as well. And after 7 o'clock, I think it had banked the target as well around 500 points, yeah. So inshallah they should be happy.
Okay, inshallah, Haji. We are live trading here, as I can see. Amazing.
Yeah, because Haji, it's all your hard work, Haji.
Nala, is it in your YouTube channel?
Yeah, it should be in streaming in YouTube as well. Yes.
Okay, just a second. I'm going to ask my channel to go ahead and watch it.
Yes, please. And you know.
Okay, just a second.
If I move Attila, move his picture up. We can't see him.
You can't see him?
I can't see you, Attila.
Because the banner there.
Yeah, wait. This is me. Okay. If I do that, if I do two, how do I move Attila up?
Take it to Royal Trader 786. Otherwise.
Yeah. That is
click the three dots. Click the three dots, Haji.
On your webcam thing, yeah. Okay, three dots, yeah. Okay.
What do you see there?
My God, it says edit name, edit mic settings, kick from studio, and ban from studio.
Ban. Okay, click ban from studio, Haji.
I would, Haji. You know, I can never. If you tell me do that, I have to do this, Haji. Watch. I have to check that. Yeah. I have to do that if I do. Even if I dream of it.
Just a second.
Yeah.
Just a second, Haji.
Okay. So,
Zarif bhai, you have a question in YouTube channel.
Okay.
Do you have US30 cash level, Sir Zarif?
Yeah, you see, I've done it as well because nobody asks me. I don't show it. US dollar cash here. There you are. Take a screenshot. Here's US dollar 30 cash. US cash. Yes.
Let's see how many is going to be here.
Okay, inshallah. Oh, Haji, our brothers will be like in hundreds.
Let's see, Haji.
But Haji, how can I make your everyone can see Sultan on the webcam? You know. Okay, that's two. Okay.
I really have no idea how to do that right now, but let me see, Haji.
Okay.
I can remove myself from the stream, but there should be an option to make me, take me higher. Okay, Haji, what do you do? You remove others from the stream first.
Okay.
Then add them back.
Okay, so this is removed. Ruben is removed. Habjan is removed. Okay. Naveen, I can. Naveen says these are all to be added to the stream. Yeah.
No, but whoever is under you, you remove them first.
Okay, I'll remove that.
Okay, 39, Haji. 29 people came here.
Wow. Bismillah. Okay. Okay, Haji, idea. Banners.
Yeah, remove the banner.
Hide. Okay.
Yeah, it looks
And
fine.
Now it's fine.
Now
Yeah.
it's
Good to see you,
Now-
Attila ji.
You should hide this one as well. The one, go to the banner. How did you add that? Just click one more time to hide it.
Okay.
that this one, the one, you
The
know,
gold one, yeah.
yeah, the bold one.
Where is it? Create panel, gold, hide. Okay, yeah, gone.
Hello, everybody. Attila in the house.
Now,
Hello, hello, Hatilla. Good to see you. Good to see you.
now,
We heard more about you.
How are you doing?
now we can see you.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Haji, maybe idea if
Pass me.
if I take out no this chart, if
You
I
want
take out
to
then
light
we
trade,
have
Haji?
Eh?
You want me to light trade?
Why not? Why not, Haji? You can do anything you like. You don't need to ask me for permission or anything. This is your
Okay.
house, home, everything.
Okay, Haji, stop streaming.
Eh?
Stop streaming right now.
Okay. How do I do stop streaming?
Well, in the bottom of the screen, you see, you know, cam, but stop screen as well.
So I do stop screen, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. Do
Okay.
that.
Yes,
Okay,
done.
now, Haji, you can see on the lower next to me, you can see my screen. It's another Attila Yurtseven. Just click add to stream.
Yes, done.
Here we go.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Now got it. Got it. Got it. Got
Okay.
it.
Türk arkadaşlar hoş geldiniz. Just I'm going to tell you know, just welcome to my Turkish friends first.
Okay.
Türk arkadaşlar hoş geldiniz. Hacı Sultan Zarif'i tanıyorsunuz. Sonuçta bizim kanalımızdaki üstadımız. Şimdi kısaca bir bakalım S&P. Hacı, so I'm going to look at the S&P,
Okay.
but it's
Anyone
going
you
to
like.
be Forex one because I'm not trading that anymore.
Okay.
But if you remember, I warned everybody in my Twitter, warned everybody about the SPY, you know, because if you look at the SPY daily chart, then you can see this spike here. Okay, this is an anomaly.
Yeah.
And I warned them that it's gonna go down at least 1.7% or maybe 2%. So it's going to be somewhere around here. So this is going to be the next level. What I think this is going to be, it can be a pullback. This one, not this one. This week.
Yeah.
So in this case, this looks like a pullback to me. Okay.
Yeah.
So if we zoom in, then what we see here, this is the SPY. So let's go back to SPX. Okay, but it's going to be the cash.
Okay.
So that here we can see the break, and now it pulled back here. So just wait a little bit more. If we see a little bit go down and then come back up and then go back up, then what we can do, we can short somewhere here.
Okay.
So somewhere around here maybe. Okay, I say somewhere around here. Okay, so just we need to wait another test in the 5-minute chart. So this is too much. You don't want to trade against this push up. Okay, you don't want to do that. So what you want to do is you want to wait a little bit more. Okay, maybe there can be a spike up, then come back down. But what I'm expecting to see is this level is going to work. If it goes up like this, for example, then boom, and go back down. Okay. So this is what my expectation right now. I didn't study this chart. So today, at least, I didn't study this chart today. But I think this is going to be happen, and you need to watch 1, 2, 3 pattern here to see 1, 2, 3 pattern. 1, 2, 3, and you can short here, and you can put your stop here or here. It's all up to you. I would put my stop here or either. It doesn't make any difference. Okay, yeah. So if you are like aggressive trader, you can put your stop loss here. Then you can trade higher lots.
True.
Or you can put your stop one tick above this high and then you can use to smaller, yeah, small, yeah, trade
Okay.
small.
Perfect.
So this is my expectation right now. But let's see if this pullback, what's that pullback gonna do? Because I'm not expecting to see this pullback is going to let's watch here. Okay,
Yep.
let's say we can watch here. We are almost there. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Okay, so maybe it's gonna go back down, back up in the. So this is the 5-minute chart. Okay, so if we see a a quick wick, a quick move, bar down, and it should be now or in 7 minutes, then what we can expect to see another big one like this. So my expectation can be similar to this one. Okay, so let me show you this. The huge one like that, go back down, and then back up and go all the way up, then come back down. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm not sure if this is going to happen, but of course, there is a good probability that this is going to happen. But if this happens, then we can short all the way down to this
Down to the bottom line.
and the next target is this line, and then the next target is going to be this line. Okay, so 3 targets.
And
So
also, I think on that one as well, roughly if you take the red nosebleed down and the cog of it.
Go for, sorry?
You know the red drop, I call it nosebleed, yeah, bleeding from the nose, the red nosebleed, and take the cog of that. Rough idea as well.
Kalas.
Colors. That's it. one line, one line, one line, one line, one line, one line, one line. But
Okay.
you see, by different things and arriving at near enough the same point is very good, yeah? Because somebody does their work like your study and my one, for example, Nishan does. And if all 3 of us are coming in the same cluster, either we are all 3 idiots total wrong, or we got something. We got something a magnet to watch, yeah?
Of course.
magnet to watch,
And that they all come together, Haji.
Huh.
They all come together. Everybody is asking me, how about the fundamental analysis? So fundamentals are in the chart. On the chart, we can see them on.
Price is king. Price is king.
Price is king. Yeah, exactly. Price is the king.
Before, say like we are talking here now. When we talk, the move has already happened. Same on the news. Where did they get the story from? When they talk, it's already happened. Price is live. And also, the newscasters, they have
Newcastle.
the news, Bloomberg and they have two books. When something comes up and it goes down, he picks this book and say, yes, it went up because of this reason. If it falls down, pick up the second book and say it fell because of the reason after the event.
Haji, you know what? When I watch Bloomberg or the other financial channels, and they are putting Bollinger Bands on screen, and they are still telling us about the Bollinger Bands and the RSI. They are showing us the RSI and say, okay, RSI is overbought. Yes, RSI is overbought, but it can stay overbought for several years. So
Market can stay overbought or oversold longer than we can stay solvent until we go bankrupt. It can stay there for years.
Yeah, they still say RSI is overbought, RSI is oversold, and then the Bollinger Band. Well, it can hit the Bollinger Band second, the second deviation, and it can go above that, and then it can stay there for a while, a lot of time. So,
A lot of things, like, for example, they will say that there's more buyers than sellers and all this and whatever, and for every buyer there's a seller. Yes, generally you're right, but you can have one buyer with 1 trillion, and you can have one buyer, 100 buyers with 1,000. What?
exactly.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be equalized. Yeah.
Well, exactly.
These little things.
Let's go to gold.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't look good, Haji.
No.
Well, okay. So I set this as a target and told in my Clubhouse channel, and that target is hit. And by tech, wow.
Wow. Perfect.
I'm watching. I'm looking at this one. So it hit today. Wow,
Yeah.
that's amazing.
Yeah, perfect. You know, yesterday I gave the gold call, yeah? 1811, 1812, sell the rallies, and I entered at 1808 today, yeah? And
Yeah.
I got $11 from it. But it done it, you know, I said yesterday and done it today kind of thing. It was fast got there, yeah? So now we see what reset it does, yeah?
Yeah.
Pullback. But ideally, Haji, I am looking for gold, you know, with neck on the line. Fire of London, 1666.
Wow. 1666.
Yeah, and then if it breaks that,
Mm.
the sweet spot for BTFD is 1644, 1633 area. 1630, say, yeah? That band can we declare it as BTFD.
So this is better sell here. Are you short right now?
No, I'm flat on gold, yeah? I'm
Flat.
flat on gold, yeah?
So if you
I
can,
did a live call trade, and I didn't want them all holding it for, you know, like I usually do, yeah. So they can play with what they have, Haji, yeah, rather than they can take nibbles at it, and you know, for the people who play forex or whatever, they count like $1 move as 100 pips. So if they did that trade and they got $8 or even $10 or $5 is 500, 1,000 or 1,100 pips, yeah. And we don't know the size of their accounts, Haji.
Haji.
So we have to be careful a little bit. Now, after that, we've told them everything, and then they do silly business, then don't come and shoot me, you know. I'll shoot you instead. When you know, you smile, we smile together. You cry alone. Class.
Okay, yeah.
Because
Okay, let's see.
physically we don't catch the person and say press the trigger, you know. You decide yes or no. Now you have to decide yes or no.
Of course, of course. Arkadaşlar Hacı'yı takip edin. Lütfen Hacı'yı takip edin. Hacı Sultan. Hacı Sultan, follow him,
I'm
please.
not Sultan. I am the kahwa maker. I am the kahwa maker. You know, Sultan is Haji Sultan. That's it.
Sultan. Haji Sultan. Haji, let's see what's gonna happen here. Okay, I'm going back to SMP. Let's see what happened. Oh, now the wick here. So let's see if it's going to go back all the way back with the same green.
Yeah.
It's going to engulf this you know, complete this, clear this high. Okay, just to clear this high, and the next one. So it just started. So it has to clear and then go back up, then go sell. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. It's starting right now as we guessed, as we predicted. Oh my God, technical analysis doesn't work.
No, never.
No, it doesn't work.
Doesn't work. Never has. Never will.
Fundamental analysis work.
No chance.
Haji, if this doesn't go back up, then next one is going to be sell.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't do that, you know, because this is my plan. And my plan, okay, everyone, listen up. This is my plan. My plan is it has to go back up and hit this trend line one more time, then I'm going to sell. Okay, this is not, I'm not going to real trade. Okay, live trade. I'm not going to do that. But my plan, my strategy tells me that my plan has to be this way, and it has to go back up. If it goes down, then I'm going to do FOMO. FOMO is never good. Okay, so I will not do any FOMO because it's out of my plan. So that's why I'm going to wait for this go all the way up, and then I'm going to go sell. And if it doesn't, it's okay. Next, please. Next, please. Okay. So next, please. That's it. Because this is my plan. Okay. What did I say? I said we need to wait for a big candle like that, and then it has to come back up in 1 or 2 candle. It has to come back up, and there has to be, a FOMO all the way up, fake. Here is going to be the bull flag, not bull flag, trap, bull trap. Okay, bull trap the bulls, then go all the way down. 1, 2, 3. This is my plan. If I go short here, then I have to be very small, because risk reward, I need to add one more here. I can go short here, but I have to add one more here. I cannot stop, because if I stop here, it's going to stop me and come back down. What's the reason to stop here? What's the reason, Haji? You tell me. I don't understand to stop.
No.
You go small. Go
Yes.
small. Instead of manage risk, manage your money by taking small positions. That's it.
That's it.
And I'm not a prophet. I'm not anything like that. But I told you what's gonna happen in advance, guys. And this is what's happening here.
Yeah.
Technical analysis doesn't work, Haji.
Never. That's it.
No.
Never.
No. Let's go open a grocery.
True.
What we are going to eat instead of selling.
Yeah. No,
Or I'm going to do an ice cream shop.
why not? Yes. Very good for diabetics,
Yeah.
Very good for it.
Yeah. Nishan, how are you, brother?
Great, Attila. How are you?
All good. Where is Osman, by the way? Nishan, have you heard from him?
Yeah, I heard from him. In the morning, actually, he said salam as well. At work,
Alaikum salam.
at work, he has got some deadlines and issues to complete the audits and whatever. So he's busy on that. And what they've done at work, before he could log in and whatever, now they've stopped them surfing on the internet and everything. Yeah.
Oh, really?
So the poor guy, he can't get on from work. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So
Okay. Not the government. You are talking about the job.
the job. Yeah.
Employee.
Yeah. So
Employee.
he will get in trouble with the bosses. Yeah.
Okay, no worries.
And then when he finishes, then it's like because of the time difference. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's like 1 o'clock kind of things and whatever. So nighttime have to sleep. And he's also Haji. Poor Osman has only got married about 1.5 years now. So if he don't go to bed early, he's going to get killed anyway.
Yeah, because he lost. Yeah.
No. I'm saying Haji only got married 1.5 years now. Yeah.
Okay.
So if he stays up all night talking with us and cool pips and whatever, his wife will kill him.
I see. Okay.
His wife will kill him.
Yeah. Sorry. Just got you. Yeah.
So
thought you were
that's
talking
why.
about
Yeah,
that.
so
Okay, everybody's here. Hello, guys. Hello, Wahab. Hello, Mot, Darmi, Egemen, Selam, Kadir, Gökhan, everyone, Mete. Adamı bir konuşturmadın Atilla. Mete, ne sormak istiyorsun? Okay, they are complaining, Haji. They are complaining. They are saying that you are not talking and I am talking instead of you.
well, we are both talking and we are answering. In fact, Haji, what you do, for them, because all the Turkish brothers, because you all trade crypto, it will be something nice for the other people as an idea to look at as well. Maybe give them how you normal do with them, so they feel at home. Yeah, they feel at home. Yeah.
Okay. Let's
Because
make them feel home.
S&P and gold and pound and USD and whatever, maybe no interest. Yeah, they get bored. Yeah.
Okay. Haji, so I did a YouTube video yesterday, okay? So I told everyone that this is 5-minute chart. Then it was somewhere here, and I told them that I'm expecting a breakdown here, like that, okay? And this happened as well. But after that, I said, when it goes down, then it has to come back up and go all the way up to here, and this happened as well.
Yeah.
in my channel, my students bought these dips, and we sold these highs as well. Not me, but some of us did. And then we bought here, and we took profit of this small rally here.
Nice.
And then also we bought this dip, and then we took profits. Now I think I am about to stop out, because my entries has to be here. Then I put my stop loss in profits, because I took some of my profits already here, and then I'm expecting the price to go back up, all the way up. But if it comes back down, then as you can see, there is also a head and shoulders pattern here, okay? Head and shoulders, but this is going to be fake, okay? So that's why I said it is fake, because of this trend line and how price moved back down, because it took too much time to try to break. And then I see that, okay, this is fake, then we can go back long. Now this is long, okay? If price comes back down here one more time, then what I'm expecting to see is similar to this one.
Nice.
Let me show you. So
Wow.
if it comes back down, then I'm expecting something like this one. Okay.
Nice.
So this is my expectation. This is one of the probabilities out of thousands, okay, or if not 100,000s, millions. So this is one of my probability. If it comes back down to 33,400, then it's a buy here. Okay, there is a buy here. You can buy, and then you can make a trade, and you can take like more than 1%. It's more than enough. Haji, 1% is more than enough.
More than enough.
More than enough, Haji. It's 1%.
Yeah, 1%, and also both fear and greed kill. Yeah, both can kill.
Yeah.
Like we said, picking exact top and bottom is a mug's game. Take the sandwich with a nibble in the middle, bas, class.
Yeah. Just let me say a little bit in Turkish, Haji. Sorry everyone else.
Yeah, no problem.
Arkadaşlar, gördüğünüz gibi dünkü yayında şöyle bir head and shoulder omuz baş omuz formasyonu vardı ve bu kırılabilir dedim. YouTube'da var zaten, yayını izleyebilirsiniz. Burada kırdı. Biz bu dipleri aldık zaten, biliyorsunuz. Benim Sinyal VIP canlı trade grubunda. Buradaki Ethereum'u şuralarda bir yerde aldım bıraktım, bu Bitcoin olsa da, ama buralarda bir yerde de dönüşünde de sattık. Yine şu dibi aldık, sonra bu dibi aldık. Sattık, bayağı bir kar ettik çok şükür. 1 inch yaptık. Şimdi aşağıya geliyor tekrar. Aşağı yukarı 33.400 alış, 33.400'den sonra %1'de güzel trade bırakabilir. Bu omuz baş omuzun ben fake olduğunu düşünüyorum. Olur da aşağıya giderse ne yapmak gerekir? If it goes down, Haji, okay, so just like that. I'm not expecting it to go all the way down like that, but we can add.
Yeah.
So ekleyebiliriz. Neden arkadaşlar? Çünkü ufak ufak işlem yaparsak, so if we go small here, then we are going to have another chance to add more here.
Yeah.
Because stopping is going to make you a loser.
True.
Nobody is going to go broke by taking profits. So if it goes down, then buy it. And let me tell you something. Size şunu söyleyeyim. Diyelim ki burada aldık. Burada bir de aldık. Ortalamamız buraya geliyor ya. Fiyat yukarıya gittiği zaman aldığınızın tekini çıkarın. So you bought here and bought here, then your average price is going to be here. When it goes back up here, just take one off. Okay? Take half off. Now your entry is going to be here. Then if it goes back down here, buy one more here, equal sizes. Then your average entry is going to be somewhere around here. When it goes back up, then take the half off again. Okay? And now you keep the rest and to catch this rally.
And I like it, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Yani bunu tutun ve ortalamayı düşürme stratejisi, bu kadar.
Like Haji, I call it as Miyagi-san. Miyagi-san Karate Kid trade. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. That's it. That's it, yeah.
Arkadaşlar merhaba tekrardan Bahadır, Gökhan, Vahap. Selam Atilla hocam. Takipteyiz. Asla yalnız yürüyemeyeceksin. What Wahap says, you will never walk alone. What Wahap says.
Alhamdulillah, good.
Haji, let's look at S&P. What happened there?
Okay.
We made a prediction there.
Yeah, it's coming up.
Okay. Yeah. Prediction is going up. Prediction is accurate. But technical analysis doesn't work, Haji.
I need to, tomorrow we have the Fed FOMC, huh?
Yeah.
Tomorrow is Fed FOMC, yeah? Fed FOMC.
FOMC tomorrow? No, there is no FOMC tomorrow, Haji.
Yeah,
FOMC?
FOMC tomorrow.
Okay.
The Fed.
I thought non-farm payroll. Yeah, okay.
Fed.
Yeah, okay, wow. FOMC. So tomorrow is going to dance.
Yeah, that's what I told them. Inshallah, we will do live stream on just start from like today time, 6:30, and we
Okay,
trade
so
the
which
Fed,
means
yeah.
there will be volatility in cryptos.
Yeah,
Right.
because me, you, Nishant, everybody, all the Turkish brothers, sisters, everybody, everyone says don't trade non-farm payrolls. All the
We will trade. We will trade.
and don't trade the Fed. Yeah, we will trade it. We will trade
Yeah,
it.
we will trade. We will trade.
We don't
Okay,
follow.
I'm going to live trade tomorrow.
Yeah.
Crypto. Okay, I'm going to live. I can lose, of course.
Yeah,
There is
of course.
problem.
And
Yeah, of
I will trade the S&P live.
Okay, Haji. You trade S&P. I will trade crypto. Okay.
Yeah. So if I trade the S&P, at the same time they can trade the Dow and the DAX as well, and FTSE if they want as well. And we'll keep a quick eye on the gold as well, what it is doing. So they will have a nice mixture. It will be fun. It will be good fun.
Arkadaşlar, so let me tell this in English, in Turkish. Arkadaşlar yarın FOMC var, Fed. Okay. Yarın güzel volatilite geleceğini söylüyor. Hacı burada canlıda trade yapacak. S&P'yi, ben de kriptoyu trade edeceğim canlıda. Siz de katılın, seyredin. I'm inviting them to join us, Hacı.
Please, yeah,
Okay?
please.
Tomorrow is going to be volatile day.
It will be good fun. It will be good fun.
Okay. Hakan says salam to you, Hacı.
Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam.
Oh, look. Technical analysis doesn't work, guys. Look, we did our prediction using technical analysis, but it didn't work. It's just luck. It's just luck.
Yeah, it's our lucky day. It's our lucky day. It's our lucky day.
Coincidence, Ajay.
It's our lucky day. It's our lucky day. It's our lucky day, you know. It's our
Look,
lucky
now, what are we going to do here? We are going to short. Unfortunately, I'm not trading S&P anymore, but I would go short here. Okay, if it goes all the way up.
And Haji, this is the area that we call the Crook's hour, the Crook's bell. Yeah, 8 o'clock.
Crook's hour. So
Yeah,
is that the Crook's hour?
Yeah, 8 o'clock. So it's 8, and in 20 minutes we have the FP, the fast planets. Yeah, increased volatility, and the famous one for the future traders from old times and whatever, the ticker. Yeah, at 8:45. You can call it the margin call. You know those accounts, they start closing the positions off. So so that is when you get the bull and bear squeezes and things and whatever. Yeah, but that is technical analysis again. Yeah.
Haji, just a second. Yeah, technical analysis, Haji. It doesn't work. They tell us that technical analysis doesn't work. Haji, I will show you my real trade. Here is my entry. You see my entry here? And I told my guys that it is going to be fake. This head and shoulders is going to be fake. And now I put my stop loss in profits. This is my entry, but I took profits here. As you can see, I took my huge profit.
Your screen has gone. You know, I can see you, but we cannot see the what you call on the side.
Okay, add me, please. Add me to stream. You click there again. Add it to stream.
Okay. Now we have it. Now we have it.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can see that I bought it here and here. Okay, added here. Then what I did, I removed, closed half of my positions, additions here, and I took some profit. I took profit, and I wanted to let it dance. I put my stop loss here, then I put my profit here. Stop loss is already in the profit area. Then if it goes back up, then it's going to make more money than because if it goes down, very small. You can see my position size here.
Yeah.
Okay, very small. But if it goes down, I will still stop out in profits. But if it goes up, then it is going to be a good one. You know,
can like it, yeah.
yeah, live trading, and you can see my profit here. It's just
Haji,
$2, but I took profits already.
Is that Haji, at my eyes? Is that Bitcoin or not?
This is Bitcoin, Haji.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
So,
Bitcoin.
your screen is showing what number? Around 33883, I think, inshallah.
33878 right now. This is the price, current price, but this is futures, Haji.
Okay. So,
It's not Bitcoin spot. It's
okay.
futures.
So, Bitcoin spot, it has got a date with 34178. Say 34180, yeah?
34180.
Yeah. It's got a date with 34180, yeah?
Okay. 34180.
Yeah.
Just a
Oops.
second. Can you see my screen?
Now I have to add you, yeah? Add to stream, yeah, okay.
What number did you say again, Ajay? 34?
It's 34178, yeah? At the moment, it's at 33860 area, yeah?
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm expecting it to kiss the LOC, which is 34178, yeah? And then we see.
Okay.
Yeah? So what you were saying for up, I'm looking at least to kiss that. At least to kiss that, yeah?
Okay. Ajay, just a second. Let's go back and see what it's doing. Okay. Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. Just a second. Huh?
Okay.
Just a second. Okay, let's see. Neil is here, Haji.
Nearly
Wife
there.
is here.
Yeah. Oh, mashallah. Assalamu alaikum, sister.
Haji, şey zayıf, ha?
Okay. Aleyküm selam.
Aleykümselam. Celil arkadaşlarımız da var. Okay, Haji, so this is good to short right now. Okay, so this is good to short. It can go one more time up, touches here. So red area is dangerous area. So I think it can go all the way down. But there is one condition: if it goes with a huge candle, then you have to stop.
Yeah, because it's got the power. It's got the speed.
Yeah, if it goes by a huge candle, then you gotta stop. But if you are strong, then what you can do, you can wait. But if there is a flag, instead of going down, if it makes a flag right there like this, it can go all the way up and touch one more time here. So this was my exact expectation. Look what's going to happen. See, it goes back down and back up, and it happened just like that. So this is the very small time frame prediction, and then that's it. So let's watch one more time, and let's go back to the gold. What's going on there? So this was my expectation. If it goes back up, there is a sell here, and then it should go back down. Let's go back to Bitcoin one more time, and let's see the Bitcoin. Yeah, maybe AB equals CD, but not exactly. Yeah, not exactly. Okay, all yours, Sanjeev.
No, fine. We're enjoying. And of course, Turkish brothers got any questions for you, whatever, just tell them to shout, answer. We are chilling, Because I went through the whole list with, so my side, we are more relaxed now. And also, S&P in about 45 minutes is closed, yeah?
Yeah, 45 minutes.
For the cash, because they trade mainly
Okay. Yeah.
mainly SPX, yeah. So
Mhm. Yeah.
in 1 hour the futures close, yeah.
Yeah. I know.
And today we can see it as today is the Monday for the Americans because they were on holiday yesterday, yeah.
Haji, what can you tell us about Turkish lira? Dollar try.
I haven't even looked at it. Where are we? Oh,
I'm stopping the screen. All yours.
USD try.
Yes, the try.
Okay, it's at MOB. Okay,
Share your screen by Zarif bhai.
okay. So I need to click on
Share.
share screen, and we click on that, and we say share. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So let's have a look at higher frames as well.
This is the 1 hour. Okay.
Okay.
Not so good.
This is the bigger one. Not so good. Not so good. And we can say roughly, look, we got the channel.
Yeah.
Now, we got the channel. After spending so much time and everything, if it does a pop out and it's only like this, so we can say it is a weak, yeah? It's a weak pop out. If it had done a pop like that, we say it's a strong pop out. So the pullback will be shallow, yeah?
Oh, shallow.
A shallow pullback on because it's done a big move. It's strong. It will only do like a little discount, yeah. But because
Maybe 25% of the move. Yeah.
and this one here, because it's done a small pop out, we can look for a deeper retrace, yeah. Because small pop out, so look for a deeper retrace, yeah. So it's going to come down again, yeah. And then see what it does, yeah. But that's on the higher frame. On a scalper side, we can look at it at the same thing. Look, MOB.
It's not good to scalp here because of the spread.
Because I don't even know the spread on it.
Yeah, it's too much, Haji. Too much.
Wow.
Yeah. It's too much.
It's like
60 pips, Haji.
Yeah, because when we look at it, I never look at look at what you call as this number. I never look at.
Yeah. You don't have.
Yeah.
That's why there is 60 pips spread.
60 pips. So 60 pips to get in and 60 to get out.
Oh, it's 120.
So you need 120 point move to get a scratch.
Yeah. Doesn't make any sense.
Doesn't matter. You can trade something else instead 10 times.
Yeah. Trade pound.
Yeah, trade anything else which is which gives you like one pip or whatever. That
Silver.
That was that. So say we look at euro, for example, because it's the most liquid one, yeah?
Yeah.
And we look at the spread on euro and spread
Less than
only one pip.
One pip.
Why wait for 120? You can do 20 times as more, 40 times, 50 times as more,
Exactly, Haji. Okay, let's see what's happening in S&P.
S&P, it's at F1.
S&P.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's going. Okay, so look, where is it going? It's going to your level.
Yeah, and let's put
Your
it on.
one.
Let's put it on your kind of time frame as well. 1 minute chart you want?
Yeah.
Here, 1 minute chart, yeah.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay, yeah. 5, we said it on 5, okay.
Let's see what's going to happen here.
Okay.
What I think that it's going to go back down from here, from F1.
Little pullback, yeah.
Yeah, the pullback was shallow. Well, let's see.
Yeah, and also, like we said, we only got like half an hour to the cash close.
Yeah.
Many don't hold the positions overnight or whatever, so you get the imbalances, yeah. You get the imbalances, yeah. Because they're all winding down for the day, yeah.
Yeah.
And then again, when the Globex opens, and usually remember Globex, I always do the trade and wake up in the morning and business. Yeah.
Haji, as you always say, screen is not our friend, right?
No,
The trading.
it's not your enemy, but it's not your friend.
Yeah, it's not our enemy, but it's not our. The trend itself is our enemy.
Yeah, and also that's what I was telling everybody. Okay, all the textbooks, everybody like brainwash or whatever, like a parrot or whatever you call it, they read trend is your friend, buck the trend and all this. Yeah, but no one tells you when the trend is not your friend.
Yeah.
Huh?
The volatility is our friend. Trend
Ah,
is not your friend.
Yeah, and, you can have all the analysis or whatever. If there is no movement, you can't do anything.
Now,
Huh? Doesn't matter buyers, sellers, whatever. Doesn't move. We can't make it move.
Haji, can I share screen?
Yeah. Let me. So I need to stop my sharing. Yeah. So stop my sharing, and
Just-
yes,
yeah.
Attila, you are here. It's better. Yeah?
Okay, here, let's see what's going to happen when it touches the channel. Let's see. I'm going to make it a little bit big.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay, let's see what's going to happen. If it can touch here, let's see.
Yeah.
Hopefully, it go there strong.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
let's
also,
hope.
it is exactly at F1, Haji.
Exactly, yeah.
Exactly at F1 is just holding. So if it pops to that penetration, it will spike up.
Yeah.
And also, Haji, remember the cycle numbers. Cycle number
Yeah.
above is 4333 plus or minus 3.
Yeah.
So
Just a sec. Okay, I'm back. Okay, it's going up. Oh my God, everyone is afraid. Everyone's scared. Nobody wants to go short, and everyone is doing FOMO and going long.
jumping. Everyone is looking at Telegram and everyone, oh, it's a breakout and all this and you name it.
Twitter says buy.
Buy,
Telegram says buy. Everybody's buying here.
Everyone's screaming,
Because they know trend is your friend.
Yep.
Let's see what's gonna happen here. Just watching like you. Okay. Meanwhile, it still didn't touch the trend, and now it's going to go there. It's going there. Just watch. It's going there. This area is an important area as well. So it's going there. Come on, little bit strong. I want to see FOMO, too much FOMO here. I want to see too much FOMO here. Haji, what I'm going to do, I'm going to paper trade here, okay?
Okay. Oh, fine. Yeah, I know.
So this is going to be the paper trade. Okay, so let's do it. It's not live. Trust me, it's not live.
Okay.
So I'm going to sell 10.
Yeah, it's
Just
just going past the F1.
Yeah. Now I sold it. Okay, this is paper trade, not the real trade. This is paper trade. $40,000. I put $40,000. It's too much, I know, but just paper trading.
Yeah,
right?
Why not?
Having fun. Okay. So what I'm going to do, as it comes back to this pick, wick, okay, pivot,
Okay.
a little bit above that. So I'm going to buy half back. So I'm going to cover it.
Okay. And Haji, just a few moments ago, we said the price was 4330 area.
Yeah.
And this is cycle number 4333. Yeah.
Oh,
We
just
are
a second.
We are at 433.50 on the futures, yeah?
Sorry, Haji, I had to sell one more time. I did something mistake.
Okay.
Okay, I did one more time. So
Okay.
I'm going to just 1 second. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to do something like that because I'm not used to this. Sorry, guys. Okay, I sold one more time, but my actual entry is somewhere here, not here, somewhere here. I did a mistake. I think it was somewhere here. Let's see. Let's look. It's not important at all because I'm trading. I'm not live trading. So, okay. All right. I can't find it. Okay, here we go. Sold 10. Wow, 43.4.
Okay.
43434. Somewhere here. So 4343.4. My actual entry was here. Okay.
Nice.
So it's not counted. This one is not counted. Let's see what's going to happen. This is not live trade again.
Yeah.
I'm not teaching anyone. I'm paper trading right now.
And this is the SPX, yeah? The cash.
Yes, this is cash. This is Forex, Haji.
Yeah. So,
Contract for this.
yeah. So the futures are like 10 points lower. Cash is more expensive than the futures at the moment. Yeah?
Okay. Wow.
There you go. So 433, North Pedal 4336, yeah? So on your one will be 4346 area, yeah?
Where do you see the live price of futures?
On my Ninja.
Ninja.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. On my DOM and on my what you call the Axie as well, yeah?
Okay. Now it's 40 seconds and it's almost 8 there, I believe, right?
Yes. Fast Planet.
So what's gonna happen?
Yeah. 8:30, we call it as Fast Planet, yeah? FP.
Yeah, okay.
FP.
It has to come down. It has to go back down. This is our original entry.
Yeah.
And I wanted to touch this one, okay? So let's see what's going to happen. Haji, the notional value of this trade is like 43K?
Yeah.
And only $16?
Yeah.
Wow.
The margin on it will be
No
like,
movement. No movement at all. In crypto, you already have a drawdown like $100, maybe. That much money. More, maybe more.
because look, this we can say is like say 4,300. Crypto on the token we can say is like say 34,000 and things like that. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Because it's more than one Bitcoin right now. The investment is more than one Bitcoin because of the volatility, guys. So arkadaşlar volatility yüzünden bakın bir Bitcoin'den fazla short yaptım burada. $43.000. Halbuki gerçek değil tabii demo parayla. Ama bakın bu kadar terse gittiği halde $12 falan zarara girdi. Okay, now let's see what's gonna happen. Just relax. You don't want to panic, okay? You don't want to do something like that. Just relax. By the time, let's go back to gold. What's it doing? Okay, maybe one more push, maybe one more push, hit here, and then go back down. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell. Okay, I'm going to sell 10. Why can't I sell 10? Okay. Here.
Okay.
In case it goes back up, then I'm going to sell 10. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a profit 1790. 1790.20. Okay, it is 17. Sorry, 17. Yeah, 1790. What's wrong?
1998. So
Why can't I do that? Something is wrong here. Something is wrong. Yeah. Yeah. Something is wrong. Okay. So this has to be sell. So what modify order here? 17. Yeah, 1790.20. Okay, so modify the order. Yeah, somewhere here I can move it now.
Okay.
Just like that. Okay, let's go back to US 500. Oh my God, technical analysis doesn't work on me.
yeah, you see, 4333, it done that, and the bottom now is 4330, yeah, and lower.
Haji, technical analysis doesn't work. They are right. I'm leaving this. I'm going for ice cream shop.
Me, no, I'm going to McDonald's and I'm going to flip burgers, flipping burgers, flipping burgers, you know, flipping burgers. 35 years of numbers, you know, my brain is gone. I can only flip burger now. Flip burgers.
Oh, the stack you did other day. What was that?
Hardly, inshallah, if you come, I
Yeah.
will take you to this place. I've eaten steaks everywhere. I'll be honest with you. This is the best steak I have ever had. And me, you know, I need the teeth as well. Yeah, remember, like I said, but I finished 2 steaks, Haji, 30 ounce each, 60 ounce in one go, all colors.
Wow.
Eat like a tiger, you know. My cousin Hatim and my mom were laughing. He said, "You are greedy. How can you chew it with no teeth?" I said, "I can even put in another one, you know, but I won't do it."
Haji, just hit our first target, so I'm going to
Yeah.
keep 5 off. Okay. But because of the spread, we couldn't. Yeah, because there is a spread here. Okay, I took half off, covered the half off because it's 20 seconds the end of the 5-minute chart.
Yeah.
And now it's going back down. Our target is going to be here. But what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to move this little bit up because of the spread. So yeah, let's keep watching. And now what we did is we took half. What we can do is we can put our stop loss here.
Yeah.
Even we stopped out, but I'm not going to do that. But even we stopped out, we are going to be still in profits because we took profit here. But if it goes back up, then what we can do here, we can add.
We can add in again, yes.
Yeah, add instead of, you know, we can go a little bit greedy here because we catch an amazing short right here.
Yeah.
Then what we can do, we can add one more here because this line is working right now.
And
Okay.
4333 minus 3, 4330 is done already. It's hit that as well. It's hit that as well.
This is good one.
It's nice.
This is nice one. Tomorrow is going to be fun. Haji.
Tomorrow is going to be very good fun. You know, and, inshallah, we will teach them how to do what we call
Yeah. We are going to slap some crooks, Haji.
what you know, Tepid taught me was, you know, the 3 spike rule. Yeah,
Yeah.
the 3 spike rule and all that. We will use that in what you call the Fed. It
Yeah.
will be fun. It will be fun.
Yeah, inshallah. So three drives one. Yeah, 3 spike,
Yeah.
3 drives. Okay.
No, Haji, 3 spikes is we call it as RAD. Reaction, action, direction.
Oh, okay. Yeah, got you. Yeah, got
You
you.
get the first spike up, the second spike will be down, and the third spike will be in the direction of the first one.
Hmm.
Yeah, so inshallah we will do it live. We will do it live.
Inshallah, Haji.
You put the theory into practice, you know, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
You know, the difference between us, I keep on telling everybody, is like mechanics, you know. Most of the mechanics, the mechanical traders or mechanics, what they do is take the car into the garage, they take out the engine on the floor, and then they fix it. The
Yeah.
difference between us is we put our hand in when the fan belt is moving to change the fan belt with the engine running.
Mm-hmm.
So when the market engine is running, we're putting our hand inside, not after you close, come and say we did this, we did that. No.
No.
We are doing it now. We are doing it now.
Everybody does that. Everybody does that.
Yeah, that's what I
All
mean.
snake oil mentors
Yeah.
does that. You know, they are so-called mentors, snake oil,
Snake oil.
and
Yeah.
they are cons. You know,
Definitely.
they are cons.
Definitely.
They, you know, they say, okay, here is the Holy Grail. You are going to, where is Holy Grail, Haji? Where is Holy Grail?
You got,
This is the Holy Grail.
you got this 9-inch half circle, and between the 2 years, this is where it is located. Use it.
This is the Holy Grail. This is the Holy Grail. So Haji, I need just a second. What's happening here?
Okay.
Now it is a little bit dangerous because you know it's clearing this one. Okay, what it can do, it can go and rally back up. So what you want to do, you can close the position here. You already took some profit.
Yeah.
Okay, you can close the position or you can watch.
Yeah.
The next one can go back all the way down.
Yeah.
Okay, you can say it doesn't look realistic, but this happens.
Yeah.
If
This
it has to go back down, then this happens, and we have seen them several times. Okay,
True.
if you want to buy that probability, what you can do, go ahead and sell 5 more one more time. Okay, now you sold one more time 5 more, and again take the profit here and some of them, and then buy 5 here. Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Yeah. And also,
Let's see if it's gonna work.
and also time-wise, we are coming into what is called the shuffle. Yeah.
Yeah, shuffle time.
The
Okay.
shuffle,
Yeah.
8:45, and the margin call hits the ticker takes. Yeah. So it gives you a bull or a bear squeeze. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what's gold doing.
Okay.
Gold is not doing anything, but it has to go back up to come back down.
Yeah. It's at the morning C2 area. Yeah.
Mm.
Morning C2 area.
Okay, new one, new candle. Let's see if it's gonna clear low. Shuffle time in 10 minutes. Algorithm time.
No. In 5 minutes, Haji.
5 minutes?
Yeah, because it's 8:45 p.m. UK, so 3:45 p.m. ET is the
I see.
shuffle. Yeah, is the shuffle.
Okay. Mhm.
And then 15 minutes after that, the cash close. And,
Mhm.
and 15 minutes after the cash close, you get the future close. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, okay. So guys, just looking at without any indicators, I told you that this is going to be a huge, an important level, okay? And also the price, when price is here, I told you that it's gonna come back down and put a huge candle, then it's going to clear the top,
Yep.
and then it's going to go back up, then I'm going to short. I shorted here, and because of this level is strong, I wanted to cover half of it, and now it came back up, and I sold one more time here, added to my short instead of closing it, because I think this is a strong resistance area. Okay, if we see a huge movement, then we should see one more candle back down. Yes, you most likely don't see such price action, but it happens. Okay, it's rare price action. So if it goes back down and clear, it's not usual. It's rare. But what we can expect here in this case, okay, we can expect to see that in this case. Let's see what's going to happen after the shuffle. So this is the real line, the median line. Okay, it's at the median line. So this is action reaction. Okay, action reaction. So you can watch YouTube videos about action reaction. As strong as that hits, then action, then it's going to bounce back the reaction.
True. 156. Yes, repeat. It will be fun tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely, because volatility is our friend, Haji. Instead of friend, the volatility is our friend.
Yes. And to be honest with you, Haji, you know me. When the market is volatile, I am happy. You know, when the market is
Yeah.
slow, it's like, oh God. You know, it bores me. You know,
Yeah, exactly, Haji. Exactly.
it bores me. I enjoy volatility. You know.
Just a second.
Remember, few months back, yeah,
Yeah.
when we had great volatility in S&P, and remember I was doing the hit and runs and posting them.
Yeah.
And you know, we used to wake up around say 3, 4, 5 in the morning and start trading. And Haji, I think it was like something silly, you know. I mean, silliness, you know. I mean, let me. I'll tell you instead of even guessing.
Yeah.
Haji, 83 points, 102 points,
Wow.
83,
Instead of
88.
HRB, you stopped doing HRB?
No, I still do them, but what I'm saying at the moment, the volatility is not that great, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I was doing that crazy kind of things, you know, like wake up in the morning, 10, 15, 20, 35, 40 points S&P banked. End of the day, it's like about 100, 120. Once I did like, I think about 180 points, Haji.
180 points.
Yeah, just in hit and runs. You know, it was like crazy, you know. It was like crazy. Here, look, Thursday, 4th of March. You can see on here, I don't know if you can see, it will say, I don't know, 165 ES points.
165.
Huh? So it was amazing moves, you know. But when it's like that, I'm like, wow, you know, today is volatile, nice.
Yeah, volatile day.
And
Volatility is our
as
friend.
long as you stay focused, you can hit and run it both ways. Haji, it's not like I'm
Yeah.
a bull or a bear, no? It is like,
Yes.
what is it doing? What is the market telling me, no? That is all there is to it. Just stay nimble, stay flexible,
Yeah.
stay flexible, yeah? But also, like I tell you, everyone, keep a book and write every trade and everything you do. Keep a big size
Yeah, journal.
journal, you know. And later, when market is finished, even after weekend or whatever, and after 1 month, look back and see, you know, and you will learn a lot more from that.
Yeah.
Like you will find your body or something or whatever. Like Thursday is my best day, Monday is this, that one, and you start to see patterns forming as well. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Yes.
That's why, like, remember we call Monday as the winner, WNER. The world did not ended rally on a Monday, yeah. So so that kind of things help a little bit, yeah.
Yes. Yes. Just a sec.
Okay. 433 83 4336 is done on S&P. Wow.
Just a sec. Yeah. Wow. It's strong.
Hmm.
It's okay. We
And-
sold it in a good
Yeah,
place,
it's
level.
exactly the shuffle as well, Haji. Exactly the shuffle.
Yeah.
We are in the shuffle.
Okay. Yeah, we are already in shuffle.
Yeah,
Okay. Let's go
we are
back to smaller time frame.
Yeah, we are 2 minutes in the shuffle, yeah?
It's gonna go back down.
And 13 minutes to cash close, yeah?
Mm-hmm. It's gonna go back down.
It will do a retracer.
Mm-hmm.
When all the Americans are sleeping and
Yeah.
it opens at Globex, shoom. Wake up in the morning and say, what happened here? You know?
As usual.
Yep.
What's Bitcoin doing?
Okay.
Okay, we are billionaires right now.
Okay.
We are making billions, guys. We are making billions.
Billions, right?
Not millions, billions.
You're the crypto king. The crypto king. The crypto king.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Now it's time to move our stop a little bit higher.
And Aji, it has already done the on the Bitcoin on spot. It has already done the 34178.
Oh, already done. Yeah, I just hit
Yeah,
there.
remember? Yeah, it's already
I
done.
put that line, and
Yeah.
then here is
Yeah.
the reaction.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there you are. Yeah, we said that we were
Yeah.
where we were at that time.
Yes.
Yeah, it's done the job. Done the job.
Yeah, done.
Done the job. You know. S&P. Okay. But Haji, I think in the crypto, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know where I read or somewhere or something. I think you will know better than me, but I'm talking of like about maybe a year back or whatever. I believe there's like more than 4,000 odd crypto courses, yeah?
Courses?
No, I mean, like we have Bitcoin USD and Bitcoin HUF and Dogecoin and Litecoin and
Altcoins. Yes. Yeah, more 15,000.
wow.
Or 1,500. One of them might.
Yeah. No, I think you could be right because I remember more than a year back there were Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies were like around 4,000 odd, yeah.
Yeah.
So now after all this going to 60 and everything, and every day new ones opening up, yeah.
Yeah. They are Haji, and they are shit coins.
Absolutely.
They're not.
Yeah.
They are called shit coins. Sorry about the language.
I think, you and me missed the best deal in the world. You know that? Remember that guy? And I honestly thought needed help, and I grabbed you and I said he's in Istanbul. And if you don't feel like going to his house, go to his car showroom. And then found out he's a bloody never been out of the country in Pakistan. Is scammer, yeah. Oh,
Yeah, he was scammer. He was
you knew
scammer.
straight away. Me, I fell for it. I said, man needs help. Man needs help. So I said, Haji, please, can you talk to him? And the man won't give his phone number. Then he says, go to car show. I said, okay, we'll come and meet you at the car showroom, explain to you in Turkish and help you. And then he says, I'm with my wife. I said, And then I swore to him proper in Pakistani.
Yeah.
What you cannot say. And he says to me in Urdu, you are swearing at me. I said, I knew straight away.
Just a second. I
know-
just added, guys, because
Okay,
I'm convinced that it's gonna come back down. That's why I added. Now I'm going to move my 5 here and 5 here, so it's 10. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy another 5 here. So let's edit it. another 5 here, then I'm going to close my position here. Okay, so let's watch. So this is 20 now, right now, because I just added, because it's a really nice place to add.
Yeah.
If you are not going to add, you don't know how to trade the counter trend trading.
True.
So that's why we have added here one more time. Let's watch, and there is only 8 minutes to cash to close.
Yep.
I believe that it's going to go down. I still
Come
believe
down.
it.
It touched the LOC, touched the 43367, 437.
Yeah.
Straight down, we are at 4333. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's already coming down. Okay, just watch. Just watch. Just watch. It's
And-
coming down. And I'm expecting one more pull up, maybe,
Yeah.
because it has to make some egg shape.
Yeah.
Okay, just like an arc.
A scallop. And it's got a date with 4331. Yeah. 4332. Say 4332. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got a
Okay,
date.
we
with
are about to
4332.
take cover half of our position, not half,
Exactly.
quarter of our position, and now just a little bit. I'm going to move it, and then I'm going to take it because it's very close, and I'm going to wait a little bit more for the rest, and again I'm going to take this one as well. So I covered the half of the position, and I'm going to move 5 of it here. So this is just scalping. As you can see, what I can do, it's too late right now. I can put my stop loss here as well. So in case it goes back up, I can put my stop loss, but I'm okay with that right now because I already took profit at this one, this push, and I took another profit at this push. So if you are small, you are not going to feel stress. Okay.
And 4332 is done, Haji.
Yeah, done.
It's done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. In fact, here, let's see. Haji, I will just do like a screenshot and maybe sharing web. Okay. And you will see exactly while we were talking and we said 4322, 4332. Where are you? Okay. There we are. Done. Here, I'll put it in the comments, yeah?
Okay.
I'll put it in the comments. Exactly, while we're talking, 4332 done.
Looking at. Yeah.
That's LOC, straight to F1.
Mm-hmm. Colors.
Colors. And it's the cycle number, 4333 plus 3 minus 3. Colors, that's it, done.
Yeah, 3-point rule.
3-point rule, plus and minus 3 from the double number.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're watching that carefully, you can keep doing that. Even if you don't do 3-point, Haji, 1.5 point, 2 point scalping, yeah? End of the day, relax. You can do 2 point here, 3 point here, 1 point here, 2 point here. End of the day, you've done like 20 points instead of just waiting for one only to come in. Take on, take off, take on, take off, take on, take off, pass. As you know, as Walter says, instead of going for one home run, 100%, better to do 10 at 10%.
Yes.
Huh?
Exactly.
Easy.
Haji, if you make 0.5% 2 times, it's going to be 1% a day.
Yeah.
And if you compound that for a whole year, then you are going to make like 37 times of your money.
True.
Yeah.
True.
37 times. 37. It's not kidding. It is math, basic math.
Yeah.
Okay, still weakness here. Maybe it can go one more time up, but I don't think right now. It has to do A, B equals CD, then it has to come back down. This is going to work like a support here, and this is going to work like a resistance. If it wants to go above this one, then it has to do something like this.
Yeah.
It's not going to go above this one.
Yeah.
This is not going to, because time is moving, trend is moving by time, and the resistance is moving up, then there has to be a really really strong buy to go above this. Okay, let's see. It has to come back down, and it's going to come back down.
Yeah. It will be a spiker.
Yeah. It's going to go huge. Let's watch. And 3 minutes to end of the cash.
Cash, yeah.
In 3 minutes, it's going to close. But who knows? End of the day, it can do
Exactly. It can do anything, yeah.
anything. Yeah. Who knows?
Like you say, end of day or whatever, basically don't get married, yeah? Don't get married. Don't get married. Don't get married. No.
We are still in profits because we took profits 2 times. Yeah, and we are still in profit right now. We are at the break even. I can still close, but I'm okay with that. I'm going to hold. You know why I'm holding? Because it's paper money. That's why.
Yeah.
If I was trading real money, then I would took my profits here, 100% of them. Because I don't know if it's gonna go there. What I know, it's already here. I can see it. It's already here, and I'm already in the money. But I don't know if it's gonna go back down. Okay, so in the real money. Look, Haji, it's going down. A, B, C, D, or maybe 1, 2, 3 pattern. Here.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, yeah.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 3 drives almost here.
Yeah.
Almost failed 3 drives. 1, 2, 3. 3 drives pattern here, guys. 1, 2, 3. Patience.
Main thing is sabr, patience.
Yeah.
Be patient or be the patient.
Yeah.
Be patient or be the patient, That's it.
Let's look at the Bitcoin. Just a second. Okay, Bitcoin.
Haji, we should give up trading and we should start an ambulance service. Because all day we get help me, I'm stuck, help me, yeah? So if we start an ambulance one, we are good, we can do good business.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, ambulance, yeah. You want ambulance service, call us, 999.
Ambulance. Yeah,
999.
exactly.
No,
Traders,
999.
ambulance for traders.
Yes, I see you board anyone, give you get your piece of life, anything,
Okay, let's see. They're waiting for me, but I want this to end and cash close in 10 seconds. Now cash closed. Cash closed.
Yeah, cash flow.
Cash closed. Yes. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Now
Let's see.
it will, inshallah, will go lower, yeah?
Yes.
It will go lower.
Yes. It doesn't work. Still good level to short here. Still. It is still nice to go short here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add one more. Then, okay. I have added my profitable trade right now. But if it goes back up, I'm going to stop. Okay? I'm going to stop. So if it goes back up here, I'm going to stop. Okay? I'm already in profits right now. And 20 lots short, and let's see what's going to happen right now. But again, if it takes this high, I'm going to close my short. I don't think it's going to take this high, but in case it does, then I'm going to stop.
Inshallah, we see 4330.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
4330?
Yeah, on the what you call
This level.
ES futures, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Oh, features.
yeah,
Okay.
futures, yeah. So
Yeah.
it's 433 0.75. Now we said 433. We need 1 point. So we need 1 point.
4333. 4333.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, guys, you are making billions. Congratulations. You are making billions right now.
You're the king of Wall Street now.
We didn't do anything. They did. They told us to short, and we did, Haji.
Yeah. No. 332. Okay.
Okay, this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, Haji. Looks like daily chart of Bitcoin. I'm going to show you. Okay, look at this chart right now. Look at this chart, this chart, and I'm going to show you something here.
Okay.
Now let's go back to Bitcoin and close your eyes, and now open your eyes, and what do you see here?
Scallop.
Very similar, right? Very similar. Exactly, very similar. Very similar, exactly. Let's go back again here.
Just see the Bitcoin chart daily and S&P. It's same.
Same, yeah. Same.
Yeah.
Now let's go back again. So 500, and in 1 minute chart, it's almost same. Almost same.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the pattern is same, guys.
Yeah.
This is because of the pattern. It's not because of the correlation. Just because of the pattern. Now what's going to happen? It's going to go back up maybe a little bit, then go back down all the way down here, and maybe even here. We will watch and see. What you can do, you can just put your stop loss in profits right now and forget it. Go ahead and take your time with your family, with the ones you love, yeah? And never worry about your trade because it's already in profits.
Yeah.
You can put stop loss here even. Let's see.
And it's at 4330.50. I need half a point, Haji.
Half point?
I need half a point, to say we done the 4330, yeah? Half
Haji,
a point. I need half a point. Push it down with lead weights. Put the weight on it.
Did you just short that? Did you short it?
No. We were talking numbers. I said we are
I
here.
see. Okay.
It's got a date with that, yeah? I'm flat, yeah? I'm
Okay.
flat on it, yeah?
Okay.
I'm flat on it, yeah? I'm flat on it.
Look at here. Look at here.
Yeah.
I'm not going to move it. I'm not going to move it. I'm not going to do that. But this area, maybe it's going to make a few greens, then go back down. Let's see. But end of the day, it's okay. We can leave like that. Yeah, see that? Small, green, maybe a little bit more. But because of the spread, we are not, we couldn't cover yet, okay?
Okay, 10 minutes for
Yeah?
which
For
is-
people? Okay, after 10 minutes, I'm going to go for a coffee.
yeah. Me as well after 10 minutes close and go and grab what you
Food?
call some dinner. And then say by 10 in the forum wait for Ustad Vulture.
Okay.
Yeah. Come in there, Eddie, whenever you are free, just pop in, Pop in, you'll enjoy
Yeah,
it.
if I can, I will, Haji, promise.
Yeah. Whenever. Of course I know, but I understand one, the timing because of the clock, You are
Yeah.
like 3 hours or 4 hours ahead of UK. The second one also is like you are starting. You make sure, Raji, I worry about you. You make sure you sleep, get plenty of rest and relax as well because you are in front of the screen, and I know about your eyes as well.
Yeah.
Make sure you rest. Yeah, make sure you rest.
Yeah. Yeah. Inshallah. I will.
You have to listen to your body as well. Yeah,
Yes.
you have to listen to your body. Need rest and relax. You must give it. Yeah.
Yes, I did. Yeah.
And that part I tell everyone to do, but I using like 2 hours sleep, 90 minutes sleep and back, I am not practicing what I'm preaching.
We will never do that.
It's become habit, Haji. It's become bad habit.
That habit. Yeah.
Bad
Exactly. Haji, just a second. I need to finish something here.
Okay.
Bilince inaltısı, 809, bilince inaltısı, bilince inaltısı. Okay. Bu adam 24'üne geldi. 24'üne 18. Türkiye 24.
Many times, when talking with the Turkish brothers, I speak in English, and sometimes I go to Google Translate. Yeah,
Mhm.
I just hope the Google Translate is nice, polite, and kind. It doesn't change it into something bad. I always worry about that.
Yeah. Sometimes it's misunderstood.
Yeah, misunderstood because you're trying to say something in English and that one translates it. They're using words which might be offensive or total wrong. You're saying
Yeah.
being nice, it's being bad. When you
Yeah. Haji, it's already hit, but because of the spread, you see the spread line here?
yeah 4330
The ask
is
line.
done.
Yeah. I'm going to,
4330 done.
okay, I'm going to take half off again. Okay. So I have 10 left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy 5 here. 5 here. And then I'm going to buy another 5 here. I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, guys. Haji, I should go join family now.
Okay.
And thank you for inviting me.
No, Haji, I don't have to invite you. This is your home. You made it. You are the owner of this place.
Thank you very
Come on.
much.
I'm only, like I told you, look, I'm the chawala, I'm the chaiwala, chai and kawa. You need that, I'm here.
Okay. Arkadaşlar ben müsaade istiyorum. Thank you very much everyone joining us today. And I'm with your permission. Haji. So
Okay.
talk to you later.
Okay, Allah Hafiz, and
Allah Hafiz.
all the Turkish brothers and sisters as well. This is your home. You are welcome anytime. Anytime,
Evet.
anything, shout.
Ne zaman isterseniz evinizde gibi hissedip istediğiniz zaman gelebilirsiniz diyor. Thank you so much Haji. Bye for now.
And Haji also just tell them, the daily levels, yeah?
Yeah.
Remember, you done the watch list. Anyone they need, they can shout, I will make and give it to them,
Thank you very much Haji. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye for now then.
Okay, Allah Hafiz, Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, yeah. Okay, how many are here and how many are talking? We got about 3 or 4 minutes. We've done a nice long session today. The afternoon was more fun, and I hope it made up for the gaps and the quicks I did in the morning one. And you had different ways of seeing things, and we all had. Main idea is, trading aside, main idea is that we all had fun. We enjoyed it. Yeah, we let our hair down and we relaxed and we enjoyed. Yeah. And that's why, like we said here, unlike other places or whatever, we will give you all a chance or whatever. You want to have a chat, talk, whatever. You don't have to feel alien to it or shy to it. Yeah. So, how many are on or not or what? I don't know as well. I can add to stream. Abjan can add to stream. Ruben add to stream. Reza is not connected. Nishant Bhai is fine. Yeah. Everyone can hear or whatever or other. No.
Yeah. We
Okay.
are here, bhai.
Nishant Bhai, we had good, nice session.
Yeah, good, great one.
I personally enjoyed it very much.
Yeah,
you
no,
know?
it was fun, bhai.
Yeah, because Haji is lively person, you know.
Yeah, absolutely. Agree.
And also he's because like you as well, he's very very good with computers. So when he wants to show or do something, it's not like me getting a pen and trying to draw a line. It is very very fluent and fast, like flawless doing things. Making lines and drawings and everything. So
Yeah.
it's like watching a painter, artist, working on
Correct.
things. It's nice, nah? You enjoy it. You enjoy it, yeah. So, anybody, any question, anything or whatever, I don't know, and then we call it enough for today. And tomorrow, like I said in the morning, I am unless I do a very early one, I doubt it. But tomorrow morning, I am not going to do a live stream. But tomorrow, because at hospital with wife and what happens, but whatever be it, they will have kicked me out of hospital and I should be back here for the afternoon or the latest, before the Fed FOMC. And as we have planned, we will do a live stream, Haji, everybody, and as many of you as you can come and join. And we will trade the volatile, hopefully the Fed gives us the moves that we can hit and run, yeah? Anybody? I think no one has got any questions or nothing. I think Nishant Bhai, we wait for 1 minute. The futures close and we close this as well. Yeah.
Yes, bhai. Yeah.
Because we only got 1 minute, so
Correct.
might as well just see the close. Yeah.
Yeah.
See the close. Yeah. It's fine, and I hope with the look in the comments, I explained a little bit about the cycle number we were looking at, and they can look it in detail as to how it played with it, yeah,
Right.
and it will give an idea because I think the first post which I do with all the cycle numbers, I think Nishant Pai, 99% of the people don't even look at it, but
Exactly. Yeah.
but like we say, it is hidden in plain sight. If only they look at it and work with it, it might save them a lot of bother.
Yeah.
And tonight, let's see what the vulture is at. Yeah.
Yeah. Today will be a good thing, time-wise drop and all that.
Yes. Because we're coming into 7th of July as well, a date which is important, and the 9th we got the new moon in Cancer as well. So cycles are lining up as well.
Yeah. They are exactly.
And
Bhai, yeah.
we got time and we got price, and like we say, and even Norm and everybody, people are looking for where I buy, where I sell, when or what. key times give you key prices.
Correct.
That is all you need to keep in mind. Key time,
Right, bhai.
when
Yeah.
the time is aligned and the cycles are aligned, the price is right. Yeah,
Right.
the price is right. Yeah, the price is right. Instead of saying where is it going to go now, it is telling you already. It's telling you
Correct.
already. It's telling you already. Now, but Nishant bhai, 99% say astrology. What are you talking about?
Yeah, yeah.
What? Because Nishant bhai, they are reading zodiac horoscope, no?
Yeah.
You can write anything in that, but financial astrology or whatever, you don't need to become an astrologer. But you
Correct, correct.
just keep that as a tool in your brain.
Yeah.
And like what was that old man J.P. Morgan? Yeah,
Right, bhai.
he had a saying. No, there's a
That's
quote
right.
of him saying that millionaires don't use astrology,
Correct.
but
Billionaires do.
billionaires do, and he was the
Yeah.
billionaire at that time. Yeah. And in fact, when we talk with Larry or even Noam or Tim or whatever, I've never been in JP Morgan's building or whatever now, but apparently his main hall or whatever, the roof is made and with the image of using tiles or whatever, very posh,
Correct.
the full zodiac,
Yeah, yeah.
the full zodiac, yeah.
This S&P exactly it hit subcog by.
Huh. Nishant bhai, all our line or whatever, most people think is like hocus pocus or is too easy. But easy is good. We like easy, yeah. We
Correct,
don't
correct.
we don't like all this algo business, you know.
Right.
Rocket science. All we need is all you need, you know, like Tepid used to say it as well and whatever. All you need is a kid with a ruler, a pencil and a ruler.
Right.
Right. That's all you need. That's all you need. That's all you need. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, bhai.
That's all you need. Yeah. Just and you know, like Walter would say, all you need is 3 lines.
Correct.
Either two above and one below, or you know, one above, one below. Yeah. That's it. With three
Yeah.
lines, you can trade with 3 lines on your chart colors.
Exactly, bhai. Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm going to actually ask him. I'm going to grab him by the weekend now. I'm going to hijack him, and
Yeah.
I want him to come and do vulture magic as scalping, Fido
Absolutely. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
in action. Nishan
Yeah,
Bhai,
absolutely.
we used to do, Jack Pai will know as well, we used to do in the past. He would come and we would sculpt for about 3, 4, 5 hours every day.
Okay.
And Nishan Bhai, it's like poetry in motion, yeah.
Okay.
It is like amazing, amazing stuff. Amazing.
I just sent you that in Discord by just see that exact subcog.
Okay.
If people know cogs here.
Yeah. Wow, perfect. Nishan Pai.
Yeah.
Perfect.
To the tick actually.
Yeah, perfect. In fact, Nishan Pai, if you don't mind, yeah,
Yeah.
I'm going to put it in the forum as well, yeah,
Yeah. Happily. Bhai.
and say Nishant on cogs.
Vulture Ustad bhai.
Yeah, no, because he will look at it, he'll enjoy it as well. No?
Yeah,
He'll enjoy it. No, because remember, first question he comes to ask is, anyone studied anything?
Correct.
Anyone studied anything? You know.
Yeah.
So, and no, and it's good work, Nishant Pai. You know, credit must be given where it is due. You know, we have done good job, and I'm going
Actually,
to
I have a lot of charts by. I mean, forum I have to post one day. All these pitchforks are working like just tremendously.
where are we? There, and we do this, and we say paste, and we say okay. Yep. Yeah, I put it on Nishan Bhai.
Okay, bye.
It's there. It's nice. Nice. Yeah. So Nishan Bhai, now I will switch off. Yeah,
Yeah, absolutely.
and automatically it will be sent
Yeah, it
in
will be there.
YouTube and everything, and then in half an hour or whatever, I'll be back in the forum waiting for Vulture. Yeah.
Sure, bye. Yeah.
Okay.
Great,
So
great session. Great session.
so everybody say goodbye for now, and we meet up later or
Yeah.
very early morning. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks to everyone staying so long.
Nishant bhai, thank you all your hard work. Yeah.
No, no, bye. You're there. You're the guidance.
Nah, but no, your company and your support and help, it means a lot. It means a lot, you know.
Thanks,
Because
bye.
it not only helps me, it helps everybody else as well.
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
Yeah, so we are not working alone, we're working as a team now. So which is,
Correct, bye. Yeah,
which
yeah.
is nice, no? So okay, good night everybody. See you all tomorrow.
Good night.